Wodofo mema kwaba edeba Adom TV encouragement sam dwumadie ya wosomfo wakoa nitekotego meti bedwamu amede sa dwumadie brewo na me nika emisasa ho tesɛn na me mfa enchia emfiri asoro ahenwa mu emfa ma wo na me nkyerɛ sɛ ne abɛ na bia na ebekoyie ama wo because so America how to live the best version of your life wa wo sɛ okotokai nim sɛ wato bi da ba wo ne bobi wato bi da na kai ne ba esufie yi sɛ wonya petrol na wanya battery na wapompo tai na fetwe na ka na age so kosi sɛ wanya battery na petrol ni ka mu no ka na nspark onyame ayo sɛ ka bibia sɛ woyɛ bia sɛ otumi kwan na ewo mu na ka battery na petrol ya betu kwan onyame abɔ sɛ obeyi waba wo sɛ woyɛ odini nanso so odo bedue wiase ano enioma ba ko na me ni bo ho apare wo ye no nti wuti sɛ dia wotie make a obi sɛ nti ni teko ene dia wo he what is missing in my life? What is the most important aspect that I need to work on in my life? Indeed, just asking this question means you are ready to move on. Ebi na waware na atete apansam. Ebi adwuma wo ye na katua nso wo. Ebi abusua wo mu no ye mpawasam. Ebi na muntu a wotu na enkoyie. Ebi apomudne enkoyie. Onyame ammo amayade. Onyame ammo ama wobre. Wa ammo ama wo hia. Wa ammo ama hwase. Wa ammo ama yare awaregyaye. Obo wo mankunimdie ye die ne animonyam. Nanso aka wo battery. Ena o petrol abegu mu a wonya bi mu. Ena me di kan ne se okoto ka fe na amfa battery nsi so amfa petrol ngo mu a ka ne se sifie ani yimi bre no Nyankopon ayo yen abawiase. We do not love to work on ourselves. We don't want to work on ourselves. Se obayadwuma fa ho na watumpon bebre na pe shortcut kwantia na so kwantia wo emusuo bebre no afo se Nyankopon abɔ me ye Ghana ni mo sika kokɔ ma sa so enti me o mama wo mama mate wo mama nyina so ni nyansa suahunu ene akwanya ene suban o mama enye anokasa ene timopo a o timu se me de me odihye mate bebre have a sense of entitlement, and because of that they don't seem to work towards achieving their goals. But we need to get serious about making improvements in all the areas of our lives. We need to get serious as Ghanaians, as individuals, in improving the various areas of our lives. In life, I think we have about 7 areas. Pameduo, we need to maintain good habits. So obetum pon na onyame esubo de hye omuno adimu a wo hia suban bi ye suban bi akeke ba suban a eso abapa suban ehwam suban eso ani. You need to have self-control. Esa unya ahohyeso. You need to have empathy, ehumobro. You need to build, sustain rewarding relationships. Esa odni grofo kabomu e wonya sakwan so. You need to update your knowledge and skills. Esa utum pon nyansemu ene sa na adwuma mu. You need to take worthy actions. Esa wa namuntuo eso ani. And you need to be self-inspired. Ababo enye taught you. Emu odiye eba na wade abisua nyamesom apomudin adwuma edene sinto beba ahwase beba enye de epe nyina na ebenya eya afro no sane na de dimu ne se obenya nkuranhye bia ma ho se de atie bia no mehye me nkuran na magina piti. I will face life challenges. I overcome my interests and demands. I need to inspire myself. So these are the things you need initially to make your life worthy. Good habits, self-control, empathy, knowledge upgrade, and competency upgrade. Maintaining strong and enduring relationships, and kabum, and also taking worthy actions. You can worthy. Your actions and amuntio, but amuntio boha and swani and yefe. It's unworthy. So whenever you want to act, ask yourself whether the actions are worthy. A sumbo, a shani. Nefi, maintain inspiration. That way you can contribute to having control over your life. Let me start by asking the question. Do you want to become the best person in the world? I want to be you. Just say, me die best. Me die asumbo ache obi owiase. The way you answer the question shows that you have faith or fear, and that will determine your movement from today. Do you believe you can be the best person in this world? Do you believe your marriage can become the best marriage? So do you believe you can become the best worker? Do you believe you can attain the best health? The truth is that most of us have been made to lose confidence in ourselves. Baby, ena wana brabo atoba ha. Gidie everyone say because nani koto obi so ena nipa no ene hwamo na no bi. Wasemaja bi. Mena bi. Mu ofa bi. Political bi. Obi oba share me bobi ama me nsa form. Enti me de okase me yi a ha e ma so. Waba mu abu. Bible ne say sebita fra champa de oso na paye ne awia we. Okwase a eno de nani tu anipa so. We nyame osombo mo na wa woso na hye ohun kran na gya ese wo de ho to obi so no no nipa na do ho to no so no na mo obre enti hye ohun kran na bo abaso na penyansa na sorry. Maybe you've been told a lie. Say hard work pays. Adwumaden ena etuaka. Adwumaden media me say enya adwumaden ena etuaka. Nyansa ena market ya papa. Obu ababu se fifiri asuti ase aye adwuma fira no pako se nwumre ope twotwo bra bi no beti e condition mu no afa pen no atwero 1 2 and no ogisa kase ya se ewi ase obi adidi nyansa ho adwene nko ena nyansa nko ni awo ye na adwene da ho na nyansa edimu nyansa emu dore a edi bibi kan abrabo ho edi bi kan obi abrabo ho. Wisdom must be such that it must add value to your life and add value to others. That way, you have profit in life. We have been made to believe that when we learn from books of others and apply them through hard work, it pays off. Some of my psychology kakra. Some of my say kakra. But I never be by my tear. Nya na mesa. Me shame cry. Eno ene ne anyame de dua mi mu amehunu ena me de adwuma bebre na wona politician achi yenko eyo yenko ehe wonya politician jai wona chi die na penyansa onyame de dua omu ene akade ode ma wo na fa ye adwuma odofo nyansa wo hia enye yo na odi akire ese wo gina na bisa se ma wade ewe ede ne ade a metime ne soronko na aso ani ma brabo we enye ma brabo am ye Ghana ni ba me nkwa ma brabo we ede na metimi aye ne soronko na ma brabo adimu aso ani adwuma me ye we nye adwumayefo nyina o me adwuma me ye ede na me ya me ne soronko na adwuma we ada soronko me kasa mbekan ene ya amade na die na metimi ayo afa ho na me kasa na me ne ye ada soronko e wo nipa nyina mu. That way you are building a new life. That way you are developing yourself. That way you are taking control over your life. Wabrabo anyone kasabo. Wabrabo ekurao. Wadisua ekurao. Wajuma no kurao. Men show bi so mfa bubura. E de na betimi ayo. De na betimi aka. Aha ena meja wo. Me kasa bebira na ase me kasa awa wo hono. Ma menya aha menua. Na kopa dwuma bi na die. Edi ya mjeso so nim dada Apostle Dr. Anita Kotego na so from Anita Kotego kwa mepe onyame nhira o na me na Adom TV for obo ame ma dwumadi eba wonchen efi camera floor manager sound MC a me producers nyina me dam ase wo a wonya amere hwe me so de me na ase kese no uno nyame entina
ni teko tego so yada senu nkranhye nsama wo de brɛ ne benan so kyena adepache yen so afoforo beba anopai no nsiabo yamamu nyina ache yasamu akwa babiem do Badom TV bedwam dwumadi so nsamasie na braso sa wotibie Adom TV bedwam kase okɔ Facebook/Adom TV akase ni twegu ho Go TV a 176 channel Adom TV hye na DSTV channel 280 and some near to your mobile wobetini upper disc of traditional council no ache galamse nibi yedimun some no ebebremo na fe yakonsam foforo mo bono regional forestry commission so edi atudwa se fulani fo wo ne mo beche ayampa visa mo hadwene sansemi ni sembi ena no pay me de bro Adom TV bedwam kase medin edi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mutie so den some ni chiremu ankasa etie upper disc of traditional council no na no da achire obi a wono de galamse ye no watomo ntentan kora we ni firi mukuru nye yi na de onsa tumi aka no ni din no ye de ahinta kakra ewo ahanta banso ewo ahanta westminster mo enye no nko excavator ba kon so wo mo chireka ho ntime kasai wo mo de na ma agona nkwanta posifo so wo mo ana hwehwemu nkoso Adom TV kase etwaso
osan na no katechi a otoda kono ko ni wura ko bisa na so onyi mo hwe enti ahanta yimfa won hyeda wonyim da asase ne ye na da tidia no ene ye gina kasami mu won awiabri ye kam wate de onye nasam mfebe ya ahenu na mbore na ye free adina gwafo ye ba chiri kuro bi ye fa no mfum a de do ta fa no mfuma enti wo ma na kwa no ye adwuma asase bi ya nyi ho a evidence huma kokesi anya no a me tete tu beria ho no a oye na da chidia ne hina na da kina asase enti dam maso ne hina wonje nkufom na asomdwe mbra hanta
Oye na wo kwisi krom ai wo ahanta west nana emu enso ene Adom news atwetwe nkomo sei
pra ai bo me bona mane e wo sa adwumadie hu ama afi ko ye January mu da to ye wukuwa da ya mesaso ne omo kasai beto mo hye me so mbeba abestop sa garamsi be hwe mo ama biminda na anu miminda ya na me kasa me asafofo eko asasene ko du na garamsi fo a omo kita excavator ne washing plant omo ye galamse o masase so abra minimum hwe nti apaso me saka omo bishae abrante e fa na Richard se hwan no di asase no e ma no wantimi ama me muaye ama obi adin se nipa we no di asase ne ma no nti apaso ye kine de ba agura kwanta police station sabre me no ka so oda mu agura kwanta police station tina abana se excavator no ka se yetuma excavator no eba e police station ye kodu na excavator no no to esi no ma excavator no e di aba Morrison junction no so nti apaso we ma police for ya we kotina ho aya fa low bed aya de excavator no nyaba aya gba kwata police station sia ya me no kase di sia me no kase low bed no wo agba kwata police station ni excavator ni na sia e wa
Bono Regional Forestry Commission penifo na dey one day summer to dwano se fulani fo wo mo ha wo madwene ye papa panti se de wo mo de ko aba beto wo mo ho entem se be ya forest no e wo mantam no mu no wo munya wonyam anko ho emo mo nkowe yamane boni owo bono bantamo ya Christian oforikuma ona boabo asansemi ano
more than 10,000 and what quite mu a ya bo modena pam bebre no a ekode na nso mo kwa no masaba enti se de ye bokoko mo amode mu na ntwe ba nyina mo mfa mo nsan if say iti amra so de na dwe bokoko forest mako mo makotena ho so amfa mo nsan na e bo mo so a obi ebenya ne bia ne se fulani fo ya hyechi bebre edom kokot e prosecute bi nom ebi so a ikuso e prosecute omo bebre na hu ya so no mo adwane bebre so e kona se yenkita tu a omo so kita tu o they can turn against us enti ene ye bokoko no wa ebenya obi e bechew ensa so mo e do kokot amamra ne wadi
Wakasafa eja etokwaye ni mu no ena wura yi editu dwa se kwaye no be se 50 hectares ena meja chehye so amasa kwaye nyina ahye wode ato akuafo nyina enemu se wonom kɔ wonom afuo mu no na se wokosoja ɔma wɔn ani enko ho ente saa na se wɔkyere wonom a wɔbɛtwe wonom aso
ya hye de afi bia ehye but mostly ayana if we outside eneba anti ye kan generally ye kan yelmete ye hutu ye forest nko a emwa because janu bebre no afri outside reserve na ebe hye ye kwaye no anti last year ye record obi this year so far ye record kakra bi ko brekum area brekum to Sekwa road oh ye fire back mountain 2 ye record bi wo ho sisi a ye kasai eno ahye kakra be 30 to 50 hectares eni ahye nti animanimu ya afa na assessment ni yehu how much Janet me cover but na minimum ni ko hu ya ni de it's about 30 to 50 hectares and I actually so far nti e bom pa say e kwa ya aka no bia no eja enkotom afi so far de so good.
Ghana National Education Campaign Coalition and they say the American Kakro war ye schools ahodo mu no e braso say asotwe sefata no a mrebi atwam na ewo ho akra ye boni wo school aye no ensan famra biem na de nkra na ye no e ya agensemo national coordinator de emakuo ye Benis mprejachi na ni nyina gina akrobia Asante Vocational and Technical School said the school for access school nya pade ne nkrofo bi cast no ne ade no sempanifo tena wa ya hwehan a wanhwa nkra ma betena yiti so te wo sa asotwe bi a wo se ye de man kwada no tete won tete wo mu no wo se saba bi mo ne Adom TV kase edin komoyi
e wo mu se ye corporal punishment efi ho some punishments bi a ye too harsh en fa ma mofran but e wo se mofran ya ade na nya ye mo mu hu sade na omo ye no enye inti say e was say you revise the disciplinary tool and ways of punishment na e was say you hwe na you revise no enye sa ye te ha na ye mofra no omako school de but omo be pie no na omo afa de papa bi ambre yen already the resources na ye wo no endorse emwa ye na hwe cars ya nkwala yi akosei na inti afa ya nsa na ye besan akoye je so omo kope cars ne sa na ma ni nyina sa ma school ni biem so omo mfensu ade. In fact, a hard drink.
Now, we and a public relations officer, War Ministry of Education, Ernest Akosa, at the Abetu just say, Woman a chance in Shishemu aposi for Ebeyenu, and no na woman so Ebeshe, no more the actress as to Kufui ason.
Local take committee be a moment with him, but they see about my investigation because some say police investigation, and Corona they are shutting down school temporary. So munko fee na yem put things in place. It's an appropriate time and the best I call you back. But for now, the investigation at police yes say be established and Quran they can inform you. But what we are learning from the surface is so munkara mubi and also seniors mubi and the results and then encourage it. And to no more say I check for now I'm man pass it. No because the make say if you money uncle be brave, but I believe say as we move on, if you money buy a bit me ama Ghana for near telephone so who DSC.
And here was ansem we ye mon so Adom TV ne Ghana for bi adi nkomo ma won so akyere won adwen. De won so susu odwene ene senke de ya so twen no amra bi atwam ye bresu na ye adwuma mra nya de ye bo obi akuno ne mom ye tia no sabe ya wonya bi mo no so Ghana for bi adwen kire ene.
Ena adisua no bebre wo so hwe enuama yi hwe tibia o makom me mani bia me ba wiase manhu bi no asa Ghana ni no frantuma o satale woni na say you ene Ghana for jai ya mamla to ena ne ja hwe we nyina mema ni mma nyina no ya jan kola no no mu di suban boni adisua hu ntraso obi Aflamano amanoni to say Nigerian clubable culture na se Ghana for afa.
Akola teacher for first na ye keni omo e wo say stand ba biem. Go say na omo dey free o say dey yambo akola into ojimi kra do be answer wanya dey bebo me. And so come bi na ma say no kola no mo fa hwe nya because oya oni say ba be pache o pache wa be ja no.
Dey me say ma na ye ntwa omo na ka ho. Because me tama na me go school ye teacher bi oba wa no obi e dwane but enness ade na ni ho biem. School for no home teacher akola omunsuru because ye ntwa ba omo ye bone bi a ye ntwa ba ena de toso mienu ye awofo no so ye ka ho se akwara ne yebɔ ne teacher ne bɔ na ba akwara ne no ba be kan na awofo no bi wo ho a omu di omu ba na chi ko school ni mu akoka se teacher ne rough
ntia ne se no endam nu bɔ ne na nkwala ne no mo no o go squad tramo wi ene ade ntina me nkwala no e dance be bi adi na me na ma dwontia ne se akwara bi yebɔ ne azi atwe na so kwa ya atwe na so a odi nya oba ha adwen wo man no
Yeguswa ya wangumasua mu na so ye hwa ngumasua so LGS TVET service na fe free SHS empanifo nyina aka won ho abom a wode to awofo abatan no anim se wo manu a wani je science technology engineering ne mathematics ho no wo mo enko STEM portal no eso na fe wo mo enkonkoye selection enhwe school no de won mo pe public relation officer wo Ministry of Education kwasi kwaten ene Adom kase edin komwe
Yama kwanya ama enwanu mo enche no mo beko senior high school so no se won mo mpese o mo ye science related program through STEM abaye for kwanya faso tete mofra we hwe ene all over the world that eno na oman bia no de tete mofra na oman ni mpuntu ye de ekoso no oman no etimi fa ne ntoma pefra ene ye fe no impact of education and socio-economic transformation. Within this 21st century, we are sibebia no kwata kwan no na fa so tete mofra ewo robotics, engineering, artificial intelligence, 3D imaging no mo sa kwan no na we are sibebia edete nkwara na ye krum ha de mze na ba na ye nya enhye kena ye pa afi na Minister of Education Dr. Duchuma Makwenya ndi mofra wono mo pese o mo ye strictly science programs and STEM programs which is be obi opeso ya aviation opeso ya engineer opeso ya biomedical ni nyina kwanya ba ama STEM schools a afina president Adaroma yesie about 5 of them and the existing ones are say are ready no kwanya ba mamofra no wono peso mo ye STEM programs no nyina no afi ye form eno na ye bie portal na say wa bezo ye bia no okwa no akomeki selection of your choices na ubisa bibi because initially no nobody can ye selection process and be dada na we ya kwenya sonko ye dia mo no mbezo mo ye STEM no kwa nti de ben say so what you can select with your say schools now bezo make any STEM selection say category A and also first or second choice now for my first choice in example now for STEM school what it means is that the STEM school now fire no e be take precedence over the old school na ye dey e wo ho no nchemu kakra no took of first term no so as your third choice they will catch the fidie ne CSSPS and the Ministry of Education say this our STEM school now fire no and now bezo ye dey e your third choice the enua no mofra no be ya ne say obekọ abayofu fidie no so no akobo www.stem-ssp.com.gh we ya fidie na be ma onkita ho a obedie o say boy index number obo e kira o say you a very simple interface obia bofra bia na wo for be assistant bia won betimaye
Adom TV Badwam kase na wo hwe no ngumasua mu nsem ya mu ene yegue na 2001 ne mu nsu brantam bi toy ewo sahwi tegare Yesu Krom Basic School e paso se no nyina wo bia West Mensimu or Western North ma enkura no edua se no wo musiade anya se mfie mienu ntamu ni nke bia o ma so dua na se si school dan na asiesie ho kama ba bi o mutene ho a wie ebo a wo mu ni nsu oto ese tugu won mo so Adom kase akọ eto so
de ye problem a ye wo no school dan na mfie mienu ni na school dan ne bubuye ye sra aban meboa because ye ni ahoden ye wa ahoden anka ya de na de ye fa bi mu pa because say nkwala nsu to a nketo no munye ba bi entna o mo nyina ko company fo no ho school dan de sra aban so hu ye mobo no num ye moa ye ma no school dan na nkwala no mo bre ha nyina ni school no e pa cho be bi e betena kra ya asem school dan e ketewa bi bi meti dua ase na bi mu seti school dan no mo amoti abantene nsu to a teacher fo ntimi nkira o ma de
safely DNS 1 copy 4 there any down ho quality dua ase ti ya hawa e wo mu de so pa
yada se woje bre na wo sha Adom TV Badwam kase no Ebranso se woko unuma so mu kom school sa hodo mo erade mfa mu nkomra asomdue mu so onye shenkani nko ade a still betimi a join ye wo Facebook/Adom TV yada se Go TV no 176 ho na Adom TV she and a DSTV nso ye wo 280 eho nyina obenya ye be mamu a ejina ne na so de ahomate sori enya bete so sori bribia ti ante comfort we otoso say ne ma no we otoso say
last but one
ntia
ye do
it's okay ntia no wonder na wa kire wa sepa
ma be ye say enya adwuma ketwa ye do
ntu ye nkuno
ma me se wa ne dimachi
ona e last
e ka de me ma be kwa so wa hu sa nyi sian na homutie pa
ona we
ati comfort na wa ati comfort ma me pe mu awo no wa nyi busu mi nsia o se me hu hwi o ko bia na hu hwi
okay tibe mu akwaba
majoso oba fefe ene die o ma cameraman no kura hwe wo so hwe wo fo wow
yamiado
yes
hey se me hu se na se ya na ba nti se me so me kosa
oh
yes ena makano nti na o se me kona sa go ya na praises no call side
uhuye we inhumu bi ani pakitu abi deni uhuye
mehuye se ya na o de beba
abadu betima boa me we na de bia ada me hu ba bia me ne kwasi o
ye na de ye fanwom no che ye kakra na ye
Eradi waya dikesi
dabi Eradi waya di nyina fufuro nya to aso
me boni ni
wow
what na one pound for feedback you what just what guy
Tom say nyom no
what just what say wo de nyuma new video
wo ye obenya we ye sindi Tom na nyoma
ana pay ye de Eradi ase de bia da me ka na wonti ase nyoma esisi no e wo wiase nya ya bra bom kra wiase obi ekọ keke onam kwa ho kọ no again pa wonom no flower omom do your flowers on che wonom o adia asan wi 5 o'clock so nim say asan bi e no bi 5 o'clock ogina kwa ho dua ne flowers moto bi free o ya faka no na wa boka na bok akọ flower man
onam ne baby awo
besrauti te o sori sa na o hwe na body no bibia ye okay sa me ka kire wo na me kai odi bia enya wo no wo ho fa sunku bi o oni ni bo mo fa wiase nya nimdie bi a wo fi se wanya because ba bia wo sua kodu no obi asua tra ne nyina ya si ni nyina so iti wo de nyame ase de mana ti ase because obi on ti ase sorry I say normal bi I say you say onye na oye da bi enye hye ese o ti ase. So even today, and then I will kran, and then enya dia. And then I kasa sisi make gusu ameka say nipa zu wu anewu. Me gusu ameka say ye the amount for kokolibu people adena wo de wo no wo da so kona oba. Eti a certain grace e mo bro bi adum bi. Mesrawa, don't take these things for granted, especially in times like this. Nye die di akọ enum kwa na bribia de because that's one there e wo hobra oti ase na wo nkwa. That's where you continue to be hopeful. But nyina abowa de enye owi ase se obeyare abeda ho.
Yare de mo ya.
Yare.
Enne mo de ko ye bronifo.
Aha. Bohunu yade. Ese obi bia Eradi huyembo yade untimi nko untimi ma. Utwa ho se ya emfa oyesi emfa oda fa akosa
afede obi kura na etete aduan obi na edware wo obi na epepa ato
unti ase why you continuously have to celebrate and thank God not deeper ko o de ano wa gibre wo anso a na okomoa kolebu 37 hospitals ni bi na wakoya adoye kaka na onya adaje ahwe wards ni bi wo honom wo be fam be pie be wie no obi anka hwe nkyerɛ wanti ni su a adwene ne be sesa. So your consistency of visiting the prisons and the hospitals and the mortuaries, no, and no quite enough messages for you to change your attitude in life. To offer bebrebe sisa bo boa. Ufa mortuary na hu atitiri edida form basa. Won say sika no. Ye mfa nko ba bia. Ti unya wiase agapade nyina. Biribia da ye kai na wo hwere wo nkwa. Okra na.
So bad also. Passou bem,
Timisrao. wadaroma ekwan a wo fa so apesika na the most important thing uku nua nya sika udi trafa onua ho nya sika utwitwa onua na ntie nya sika konkonsa e de nya sika say obi din de nya sika no na wo ba kire bo ana wo na wotu sa na mo no ebuo na wo ba kire ana tiasre when we wake up like this even not a selfish prayer but a prayer of intercessory they be adano udima nkofo udima mpaye erade wadom me ne mabusua ne memma aseda ye odia ye de Ghana ni mu mpanyimfo both opposition ne aban awoso obi biara from a adwadifo to shoemaker to driver 42 a teacher for doctor for ne a nurse for pray for other people. Don't always pray selfish prayer. One may say, Pam, Ugusu Bompa is Yamisha. It may see a million of a Bika crowd to the necklace and I'm say, ye hear Nippon money a bay Juma, who be on a Juma Shako, Kakra, the Baban, and so a problem, you know. I see a more 1 minute, you do for no advertising with Juma, baby, I'll share. The old tone, the challenges a womb, you know. Sometimes you say it be ad when you are doing any no Christo anam on 20 bi no because if you are now on TV between 2 cities 40 pesos by a man say Fred ya oboboka be 40 pesos it obetuma sa akonya na frɛ it's important it yebe din komo ya minute be num insia bi eda emunum obefrɛ adwuma o ye o bo ho dawuro
straightforward
me pay sa fe na beto so machia doma east mra shebe dwani me ka bibia be ma 10 gram doma east ye nyane dia debi
straight me dey say
mo so ginu ho bi
biscuit e wa ha say me number 024 whatever upebia ta asa me se o mani pa kwanya we time we yeska o
awurade ya go
etu nya pe epese no na waka wasam
nya na no da si wa ba fie ni obaye sa no
long to you be try so meton cement wa how cement ato afre me 02 simple
we and also o de hihye na gu akwan mu o begina ha na aso koye hwe nanado ye hu ni su bi da jo mahama mezaya oba ba giye
and on mine ya madam was
ana pesa koso street
o chia ye okay no what do you no se be obi so be bie because mre ni sha
because na kwa de ni adaje che say Piero enya 40 years ne
na en birthday
na adaje ni ho
Piero nya 40
Friday on Friday it was so nya 40 na o chini mani na no o de atu ba bia na me o de am 3 times and I'm draw attention say media o sa o ta de ho tumi so a enam na abenya free fanko
enya
sika nko agoro
enya hwe enam no kra ye okay
enam ne ye
oh yes the only part be ma bia
money so
sa the other be ma bia
money so
na sa na enam ni o nam ba the other ko kan ho no be ma na doso nti ye
we the other man wo from enya
ensuo kra na de be ma no a
o ni misi kwan ha ya
because ensuo ba ko 5
me ma wakwanya ba bia de me fa no
ba ko no so 2 city 50
0302 211-701 equity 4 say the fiaman kwata makula kana nya kasa tintin bia me tomo me wo eye afkenya ase number 1 me number ni pa ira na ko enya manyo se yeso yenni ya kakari adwuma ntimi koso 0302 211-701 equity 4 edwa bia wodi bia no bo ho dero minute kakra bi na afi ye ma sa kwanya afia
ayi me hu ayi bi e wa ha Crowley o say ayi man of the match ya man crate
of the
and your football awarded 5 crates
football awarded 5 crates
for emerging man of the match o see am fa hwan
for what say
o was anope yam wache
ai kusia crate o was ye te o ka o
yam kwa animal yam fa foforo o fra yam so ye ni nkomo wo phone no so ya mentie o ho nti say delay ye pa o was aba yam akwa aba
pajo you ras
acho yentie we
the blues camp director ba ko pe ma mi che o mai he se mi tu tia no
I think
it's difficult for us to follow rules in this country.
Ultimus won't you or 3 years war free. Isaac wa homa no so de me ye sure so onya sam pacho yentie o.
Hello. I'm from Pacho Momachi on no command community.
Yeah, Joso.
Maybe I just get me cause every man here me pamade. My number is 054 06 8028 054 06 80282.
Opama dear way. Opama dear way.
Manya first school junction.
Okay, good.
Enti ne de ope atade apama no afre no. Yem frɛ osmoya to bono body na ya mente. Papa me mo ache. Jo ata. Jo ata mpa chote enka ye mo ache mo akwaba.
Yo. Ana pe me tiamo.
Ejo so.
Meden di Jo ata. Me kasafi Cape Coast mina. Me a poultry farmer. Me ton eggs. Any broilers, any layers. Enti obi o pe bibia no. Obetimi afre 054 72 84 666.
Okay.
Number
054 72 84 666.
Right?
Okay. Yeah, that's a pa.
Me a staff to University of Cape Coast.
Okay. Yo.
That's it.
Ala Hassan Bukari. E pa che mo ache mo akwaba.
Me mama chu.
Ejo so papa.
Me ye soya beans dealer. Me number is 0247242929.
Also we are there.
Relax na ke kan ye e kontam do.
We are
Soya beans.
Soya bean
dealer.
Dealer o ton soya bean.
Okay.
Me ton soya beans ba chana.
Good.
Yo, yenti o number no.
0247 24 29 29.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Now what him for Tamala?
Free Yendi, Northern Region.
Good. Soya bean.
Yeah, that's it. Papa. Auntie Faustina so ahumano so Madam Faustina.
O akumadan.
Madam Faustina ya mo ache mo akwaba.
Meje so enua.
Yeah, that's it. Yenti o.
But your friend Madam Faustina, me ka sa free mem.
Me
pema de wo mem 18 udi sania ko achen na se ho achen toilet no ho na.
Okay.
My number is 0242 77 8418.
Okay.
You be a person bet my DB bet me about me.
What number is to be? What number is to be?
0242 77 8418.
Yeah, that's it. Papa. I can so a woman so I don't pay your much that's it. Okay, any atom free so. I feel ready. Wow, be delay be an echo. James Assan so be anybody.
It's a friend you chat to about.
No, nanke chat to any say. Yes, and here the course no. Esi. Yada mo sepa nti no my yes. I deal we I think say yeah every day be a crank
once a week.
Na nyame ya adoma end of week no nanke ya try na ya hwe. Omo a through 5 minutes calls no obi a wonya calls is important. Good. Oh my why are they na Tuesday ampa why are they?
Information Ministry paid itself
151,000
as COVID-19 allowance for working during lockdown. Let's say be omodi adwane ebre.
Omodi adwane be.
Oh.
Anaya yanka ho.
Ebi o adwane.
Adwane be ya. All the time January so
COVID-19 26 ambulances bought for $4 million yet to be supplied. Auditor General's report.
But we show rehu
yeah juma no mo pick kills butcher at slaughter. Na say impreku no so there.
No more dey sir.
Udi agro.
Oh sir.
Men can't because me near you are there.
More dey. And then trade men hokora.
Don't try.
And then trade nipa mu a o.
Don't try.
So me dey ku no.
Don't try.
Hey.
It's now always all the budget for wait a minute for you.
So town there. Hey.
It's that's all the next budget for go. Because process you never from not the thing ko sha dey say na kremoni na be la ila la.
Wow, ya bomba nyina.
No koko. Kremo for no. Se omo basa na.
Hey.
Di obetwa nam no. Eh?
Wow.
Oh, tete me chita wade e o. Abore da say. Something like that. Obaya. Sa. We.
Na the second dia no.
Ay. Ono be wie se. Me say second na ugina wa. Oji me say we dey e dey was sua for years.
Wow.
Oba rap.
Enye obi a na beti.
Debi.
Enye akoko.
Oh debi. Na akoko kwa.
Wow.
So yeah.
Enti when so
I think Auditor General sa kola yisu no. You see, on say the biana me kasa. Oh, if you free few, and no mine so be foy. O mine in this case here me no mi nyina. Ana aye nhwe han na sebe ya ye nuru ba bia kwa kan uko suku a. Sa na montuo we. Area hokro bia bamba fo adamfo. Okra ontimi menfie bia bi.
Ene nkra na agensem.
So enti mo man go back to certain values bia na ye wo.
Sa. Enkra we mu jeja wo mu a ye too much o man. Abroso. Said must say school ajapade. Aduane amudi nyina mo akose no. Then no must aba back. Abeka che se ni aduane wo school.
Ontia se because no da chi no we ni say.
Serious
so. Ko shede mama ne papa ekuru no free Ghana amwa no bayifo bi na ye no.
Oh no. Ene nkra we mu so ne ma mu nguro no. Shisha no ene a shows e dey yes ye show enkra nketo nyina so.
We have to.
Enti adwen boni wo mu tirim. Omu nya nkra o. Ye so mu ye nkra.
Na no osmosis me say na no me painter na almost almost the tin now say then I was say when the omuko to ankora na beto pa na ankora no ado omu de ye de o say oh da
e dey paint ni bi
tin now say dey and dey
okay
say omu sua sa na fa Rastafari Selassie fire burn all the Babylon people you know into oba say them susu we me bo hu me say ntati e bi
sa kete kura enkra no omunya nkra nti e wo say ani da ho because the enkra na adwe won nkra ni time e too much
Eradi hu yemo
ebufuo be na wo ye kukuru mponi ni abeso
akoda keto obutimi fu seka akoda ketwa
kwabra me se me hunam ka say mechanic shop because the way o ma turn cars no ebubu no ase na windscreen na bo te say they say yes I say charge wo mo da be no betua sa sika ye be wi
akoda ketwa
enkran keto atimi gina camera fa phone si wanim edi a whole man pani atam ne etena ho ne ye pachaw and fine you can say be a school no bo mo but I was say wo mu enhunu nyansa hwe o ma chop o mo de bai just say nuhu bi ani wo mu
nti ye be fa quickly the headlines na
me enka we so dum ja for
we will replace old fire tenders by June o da bi men ko shebo bia onyame ya duma kane dum ja machines na enko ye no onyame ya duma afi we de it's actually bebem o the deadline ba ho sa timelines a problem because June no me ko twa hato a now they are to reminder in June pepe queen eba wo se hwe mai ya feel the onyame aduma so what you say
okay
but quickly daily guide front page I say construction firm bolts with 4.5 million Ghana cedi COVID fund and GWCL that's Ghana mami we there nani mo nyam too much Cecilia Abnadapa ma good morning the Chronicle you killed Mahama over his treatment of Paula Foko. Prosecution tells Gregory in court, and Daily Graphic, 96-year-old land dispute resolved. Case traveled from 1927 to 2023. The finder says 208.7 million covered 19 projects, uncompleted, though deadline exceeded. The Ghanaian Times, Korobia Sante Technical Vocational School closed down indefinitely, and 26 ambulances valued at $4.4 million yet to arrive to support COVID-19 management. Auditor General report that we about. Professor E.K. Wallace, Anafe Fisem, in Pensimu, Edbetu Asudiama, Yakwaba.
Kwaba deba agokensi sume Savonia Fale dia job lady. Bezda papa bi nam den semne brasida enkoma 1xbet.com. Acho se bet and papa oto a usika no udi ya na beto eye wallet mu kama na bibia konka odds nso eni so kama bibia e konka 1xbet.com. Jifas mixture uhia oba hia be me hia so de besiesie ho kama so be bi ujonku be bia ye oye bia no ni nyina ebeko away na bibia konka dia mana Sedimo gel and roll on so the ultimate pain reliever enye asem ketwa kra ubetimi dia massage eye usisi ya oya ukotodwe o back pain bibia ni nyina beko na bibia akonkan ede ama o se wo pen dodo etu akọ sense pharmacy na sense pharmacy na be frɛ wo mo 0208986731 ubetimi enya wo mo so e wo Ashama main station anase tema empotemu na bibia akonkan ede ama Miss Goldie's boutique wono so e wo Santa Maria Blue Kiosk wono so ene shematare kama kohwa bibia ohia bia ubenya yentu fa anko amanone na yenhwe enra EPL match a ekọ so Fulham etibitine fie ma Tottenham Hotspurs ekọche no enom ne kabako wentimi antimu adabraka yenhwe sene highlights no ekọ no ena group matches no ebekweri na usha na Mauritania ene Mali ene de behye so na Niger so ene Cameroon de ahye so chane so se Niger ni Cameroon outcome no nipa obe tima obe win no eno ena Black Galaxies ene womo ebehia eda memenda na coach say Anowoka o se waye ready on ne mrante no woma ye ready for team bia obe win.
As a coach, I have trained with them for let me say a year now, and they know me, I know them. So when they are playing, I think I don't need to shout at them. I only shout occasionally when the needs come. I don't need to be shouting. Besides that, this is my style of coaching. I don't. When I'm at training, I push them. I shout at them, and when it comes to the game, I think as a coach I have told them what to do on the field. So I leave it for them to do. And when the mistakes come, well, I go to shout, I'll shout. But I'm always calm on my players to do what I
Management Committee Chairman Edema the Black Galaxies Ora Tony Obe so dia to just say wo gide wo mrantie no mo say team bia ye be hia no the next stage of the competition ne bia no ye betimi edi nkunim.
Me, I believe in doing things that satisfies you first and your family, and then you go to the nation. I can see that most of them want that record. Most of them want to change the narrative. And most of them want to be able to go to Ghana and say, yes, you sent us there, we've conquered. This is your trophy. So I think this is the way the management team, led by myself, have been talking to, motivating them about, and I think they are also listening. And they are already self-motivated. So we don't have a problem even motivating them. They are quite self-motivated. Well, I would want to say, tell Ghanaians, as we do all the time, that please provide your maximum support for this team. This is not the time for some negative predictions and all those things. We also ask for prayers for our team. That's all they can do. Support, sometimes the unity of thought would also flow. The spiritually will flow into
Ifi Chan na yembra oman Ghana mu na kasama for the Mother Ghana Football Association ora Henry Asante Chum ediato Asempa Ultimate Sports Show so say coach ye hwe ni mu say be na media ma the Black Stars of Ghana no ade say end of this month ya no wo ma shortlist wo no wo din e ba betuja.
There is a major problem at the national level, and it trickles down on the subsets or the various economies in the system.
Okay, fine. Said the bear I bet me a address issues no tin me but dwell on one particular issue for a long time. But yamra the if you work by no coaches not submit or try to submit your report near.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Technical team has submitted, management team has submitted. It has been discussed at the executive council level. I know, sir, because of the break in some of the meetings were on hold. But once I resume this week, a lot of the things will be fast tracked in terms of who takes over as head coach, who goes where, and then our preparation for the rest of the AFCON qualifiers is also about starting. Once you have a head coach, it means you have a plan in place. I know that there is a plan in place, but head coach now will be taking over and be determine a name of person in terms of scouting, in terms of bringing in new players, in terms of maintaining one more World Cup, or any other decision or person will take. There will be a firm decision on the technical direction of the team. Because Ugofa Obiba na or to me and fan nine see from one dressing room agent in someone it's going to be calamitous, and that is not what we need at this moment, especially when we are preparing for a major tournament. Our Obo qualifiers we are go into a major tournament. On the back of two tournaments are anko, in your next tournament it has to be good enough to merit sa status na ya de ama over the years, and coach obi take over bia ye coach I was say oye obia or command respect na fe otumi de 90 for moi players ne de sa GD ne odono e de be manu a obetumi de
ewie kra no hye so se obekaya 2019 ye call Africa Cup of Nations no na ra coach Kwesi Apia ono enedi yenim di ye call ye na sabre no na ye preni adentina on fa Sule Muntari ne Kevin Prince Boatemba so obekaya so sabre mu no na ye normalization mu na sabre no ora Dr. Kofi Amwa ono ena na ye chairman de ma the Ghana Football Association say coach Kwesi Apia e de abetu dwa se sabre no Dr. Kofi Amwa threaten say one Fresule ene Kevin Prince Boatin a best sack no crowd G team no e the effinis him not just say interference aye kano the Ghana Football Association for one more interfere in Black Stars selections.
I told him I'm not afraid of being sacked. I mean, those threats I've heard it several times, but I'm not the type that those threats scare me. He thought Sule and Kevin should be part of the team. But you see, meanwhile, you ask yourself, are these players that you're talking of, are they playing? And if they are playing, are they in top form that can compete at that level? But you don't tell me, go and bring them as if I don't know what I'm doing. Or if you are better than the coach, then you should have been the coach.
Any day I can see Munsem Nina Ebisiasda and call and Fama Boafom Bomechidoms from Kodiana 1xbet.com, Jefax Mixture, Sedimo Gel and Roll-On and Miss Gold's Boutique. Mave Savonio, Far Lady Job Lady, Vesda Papi Mishawada, and found San Kefidiano, bedroom, Eguswa, Etwas.
Adom TV Badwam na Ocean Fisambra na son say yedi enkomo na yamobi akwa babiem yesada mo ase Ocean live on Facebook ayadase yem Facebook page na oko Facebook/Adom TV a yedem live ewo ho say Go TV na 176 channel no na fe DSTV channel 280 midin ediafia amankwa tamaklu medase pa me na yabofo yase Wamada romanti ene fia yeja bre etnase na yede nkomo esefata sei no ebrewo St Andrew Senior High School awofo ahwefo ewachiri ene benche ye misrew fa obano ebra St Andrew Senior High School ye wodei ene all boarding so ntimfa ho ne baabi a wo hwe me free se wo pe school pa private school pa edo ba kom na courses na ye kire wo school mu nyina ye kire bi ewo hodea na ne odo obano eni a kire St Andrew Senior High School. Kelki toothpaste and so yedi chuchu yesiano pa eni enyumre. Chuchu wabofra siana obatan ya wutie me. Ye nyina chuchu yesiano pa ni enyumre. The last thing ye be ye ansa ana yada ye Kelki toothpaste no eye nkra ne de. Na je se odi ama nkra do no wo chuchu o mo se akra o mpa aduane onyakidi ministry of ne bi enomu a se na didie mu no na nsakra ya hodo nso aba ni peduane mo ko pharmacy shops bia mu a ubenya kidi ministry of ne bi so ato Piwak Natural Health one more draw 3p garlic mixture numbi nem boost your immune system na ma hoden ti yare bia ba ni peduane mu a before awukura obehunu no akoatia ne dado nyare waba o immune system is stronger kele ni nyina ma bia hoden ti na de bia da wa no me me nko hospital da e sense wa ahoni asrafo no omo hoden ti koso a ne nu ebeboa ma asrafo no ho aye den ye immune system no akoso ade amana na wo didiye o ye exercise no ani ade sanyuma koi adaroma ene omo ma kwan ma afisam nkomo no ye de bro of juada e de kosi fiada nti ene me wo enkomo ahodo e wo ho e wo se yesi afi mu no yetimi ho yenya bambo emu odin enya eja ho akeke ema obi space bededa ho mo obi ama mahihye mu akeke ma menye entwa me homra sesi a me kwaba mo nkomo bi oho ye ba ebedi sa nkomo no me kwaba sesi e msa mo akwaba ya Adom TV Badwam na o hye no de edu soi sada midi kind to edwa no ye hia spiritual bambo spiritual protection for 2023 nikwa so jeja ho akeke e wo se wo bo ho ban na erade edu twa ti ho komo ene ye ba bedi na me wo me sofopani Prophet Joshua J e wo hase anopai one ye ba bedi sa enkomo ye hu na che pa ene de nyame adom ba be ka ye sa e wo ha papa no pe ye mo official pa
ya bru
na bibia aboko de
Awurade adom Kristo ti ase
ye de nyame ase mu a che pa wo de ba we no mu se di a wo ye powerful wo ho ti wo ba boa ye na 2023 kwan be na ye be fa so na ya boy ye ho ban spiritually bibia mu o se ye boy ye ho ban de na yenye
but ase nyame hyerem nyame hyerem ti arefo nyina 2023 year blessing year ya fear enuonyam bi wom na adesua nimu a onti ase isa adesua bem obi e wo se 2022 na enipa bebrebe wofu na obi e kasa obi e di atem na esese basa en obi e wo se 2020 esoso BBC ya COVID-19 ebe se nipa nyankopon wo the days and the week in a year juma so we the perfect number e wo bible ni mu dia e 7 so the nsia bo wi ase wo da ko gina ho me na e 7 isi nyankopon ni Aaron e kasa se kan edua no ma na nyenso aforobuchia no nyenso totrobento e nyenso kurohwam so be dis wo se abofo nso iti na me number is 7 nyame wo the days in a year juma it will share Adam ebesi inokona no 7 son nyame chara ye bibi sronko rapcha no wo hwe no what time nsuo ba he no a wo shada body eti mo Genesis chapter 6 verse number 9 10 wo se no wan kwan fiem ahansia bosom ye toso mienu ede na ye toso dunso o ade now de kiti a onya 7 last this year your digit number lot of for tell you so digit no 2020 it is 2020 and A2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 he give you 4 no nyakopon to me no nyame ne wiase ne dia to south east west and north nyame take dominion o se wiase fo nyansa nyina beginning na date na ba no sa nyame be ye no it last 3 years 4 no 2020 no it nyame hold you wiase or my doctors why obi nyansa call from any about 2022 2022 no a year digit number ni 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 is 6 today devil hour devil action it will be biara de bronsam eye adwuma to be biara to kode no bia bronsam bisu no ha akwala so di panyinatem ena ha panyi so di akwala atem se kasa fini kasa e wontie bibribi e ba because figure 6 no a stand for devil now you will figure 7 a 2023 a 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus it give you 7 this year no say obia bre ne ho ase na owurawura mu ye a awurade mu nyam bedede so hwe figure 6 ni mu a ye akwa ma asafo ni ene enu nyam ana mo a certain word a number was say no one kwanem mfia hansia bosomi etia mienu bosomi dede nso it is 6 and they say plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 months no plus 1 na 17 edi nanim no plus 7 he give you 16 no the one add na 7 in Bible mo no baby biara bibi say sie bia no date da so ekọ 7 ekọ 4 ekọ 7 ekọ 4 eti year we no eye year ebe ma nyame anu nyama dadi men kan say situation a Ghana ewom edu baby a obi betumi apagya this year so ma ho kwana betumi apagya na spiritual thing bia no a e move no e here prophetic hand on say nipa bibra try to attack the glory of God upa ngobi nkoji aduru no nkopetumi no obeso ye comfort power bene se we enye ni a amfa nka hintasemu a ne bosom no se no asia bene obi amfa no enna obi bese onye malam omo anwem na wonye no hu kokrokos we hu we enye ni a ne malam ne yemu sa na obi ka so yodifo a ese onye ni na nye ni no a Ghana for practice no and ye me sometimes twum kakra on say Ghana for practice bibi to say example of Ronaldo Mahama Beba yes Mahama ba good nanso so no be so kire say Mahama Beba nti ne Akufo Addo ahini ni nsa ya na but also say because Akufo Addo ahini na nsa ya Mahama ɛna sɛ Akufo Addo ahene ne sɛe a ɛna bɛma Mahama aba enti na ade yɛhwɛ deɛ nkɔmhyɛ ɛne mpaeɛ bɛyɛ yɛn you are facing sɛ yɛhwɛ Mahama very good enti sɛ Nana Addo ahene ne nsɛm ba sɛ nyame de Mahama bɛba a Akufo Addo bɛyɛ nneɛma amena sisi na kwan so na yɛsa de ade na Mahama asa abɛfa na waba abɛtoa so ba na wohwɛ Ghana yɛwei ne saa ɛdeɛ mɛka kakra no sɛ now no ɛsɛ sɛ Ghanaians adiifoɔ no yɛme yɛne yɛden ne yɛfiri nkontompo kakra bim ne yɛgyina ma Awurade ne yɛde nokorɛ no bɔ yɛabotire na ɛba saa no a ɔmaa no ɛhyɛ adiifoɔ nsa
na sɛ woakɔ hu sɛ bi du nkontompo
o sɛ ɛbi da plane na mena bɛka wo sɛ ɛne yɛde bebree hɔ nkɔ yi sɛ ɔne ɛmɛkyerɛ no ɛnsɛ ade bebree abɛbu afeɛ so ɛna nneɛma bi ketenkete bi ɛwurawura mu onsɛ ɛte sɛ now no wokɔ Bible school no ano abɛyɛ sɔfoɔ yɛtete yɛn nyɛ ne saa in God nyame anyɛ ne saa Peter Yesu bɛyi so but training for 3.5 years ansa na wɔma knowledge any wisdom sɛ so Bible school in Accra na 6 months wawie na abɔkɔla na abusuafoɔ abɛhyɛ ɔsɔfoɔ na wastart ɛno ti confusion bɛtumi aba because yɛ menen eti yi away no yɛbɛtumi free ahohombɔne nsɛm but ɛsɛ sɛ yɛ ma mpanyin no otimi agyi yɛ ni kakra di omo bre omo ase yewura no bedi etuo no wo batabata na ho no omo enwoma sua bɛyɛ bribi obatenkɔ baabi a wo sɛ Nebukadnezar ahenie mu no sɛ wo hwɛ baabi ekogina yɛ na emu ɔden nanso wɔ sɛ Daniel ebra Daniel te ase no adeɛ bi na yɛ hintasɛ bi na ɛkɔ Daniel kyerɛ kwan wo hwɛ ne ba bedi adeɛ fɛ ne bɛsasa Daniel so yɛtiri ne bɛsada ɛna bɛsasa kɔfa nyame kuruwa no mu ɛna BBC ne nsa bɛtwere soro ebra ne hohodwo no a wɔyɛ ewo no wɔhema bi pie wɔsi abrewa bi ɛba na ponto na se na wɔka kyerɛ sɛ wagya te ase no ohun hibu ni abranteɛ bi mu eniteɛ na enyame nyina ahohom no sɛ fɛ ne Daniel yɛn kɔ hwɛ ne bia ne Nyankopɔn bɛfa so amana yɛ now no baabi a Ghana situation na abedu no yɛmbre yɛn ho ase na yɛn ne yɛ tetefoɔ adiifoɔ no on sɛ wɔyɛ odiifoɔ na wo keka adwamansɛm na wo mmɔma ho mmɔma asɛm so a wo de ebu sɛ oni dwomo ana me wa sɛ ka jo hwɛ be ba no bɛka ɔba bi ɛna nto kakraka ne yɛasere twetwetwetwe yɛn Nyankopɔn na wɔte wɔyɛ holy call say holy God it become a prophet no ne board ɛyɛ costive because nyame ɛne nipa ntɛm no wɔde wagyina ma ho konkron nti wo yi ade so afiri nipa kon so so ɔte ase enti yɔn so yɛ ka bi ɔmu ntem because yɛ ma me joke yɛ ma me concert ne ade on sɛ suban na yɛ de yɛ nyamedwuma no ebi de yɛ so frifie okay e de yɛ mɛka sɛ this year ɔmu ntie ma me ka sɛ mi akyerɛ mo yɛ rewura na do be yɛ president na Awurade ma me de so ade hu me pray ya sɛ me de bɛkɔ ba me ntimi fa nkɔ because o ma o chance ɛna ntimi kɔfa Flaster House ɛnka nkyɛ sɛ Joshua maba adan yɛ asɛm bɛka ne so ade hu no yɛnyɛ de saa ɛne kwai bɔ so na ɛsi wɔ nipa bi so anim me ka kyerɛ wɔ man panyin ne Ghana sɛ me sɛ bi hyɛ wɔ man panyin just there wɔde boso bi mienu bɛre konsa Ghana boso me miensa ɛbɛtɔ so num na aduaba bi afifi ebi de boso me nwɔtwe na Ghana fo nyina te yi de ɛnyɛ bɛ wɔ mo brɛ enti na ɔno a yɛwura figure 7 na God love ɔman panyin ma ne homra ne ho so ɛna yɛ maame no mo so magya nyame som no sɛ afi be ye ya ɛsɛ support ne yɛ adwuma
maame fo be na agya nyame so
bebre tifie
sɛdenti
o sɛ bebre kyerɛ sɛ difo ne nye ɛne brabrabra ɛna 2027 no 2023 de bɛka na sɛ ɔsɔfo bi ya maame bi ba wɔn nkyɛn a men charge no bi kwan no wɔmra wɔn nkyɛn na wo de yɛsɛ bi a wo bibi na so ɔntɔ de a me ni problem ne mo asa no ohia ni bedi nkɔmɔ na wo sɛ mɛtɔn ayi ɔsɛ mɛ charge wo ansa na me ne wadi nkɔmɔ no ɔmu ntwam ebi sɛ kane na yɛ hyɛ aseɛ no yɛ ne ɛbaeɛ no na ɔma mpani Rollins na ne te so na ɔde yɛ ne yɛden ɛna ahyɛ Ghana so ma but the sense yɛ gyina no kura bi mu tiɛtibi pushi nneɛma bi out yɛ ma Christianity bɛyɛ very good yɛ pushi yɛ ama nkurɔfoɔ sate sɛ ɔmu nya chance akɔ abɔkyi ba na nte saa
eti sɛ me ba wɔ asɛm mu a ɛmi sɛ esan sɛ bi a di sɛm ne ba wonya chance nkɔ hunu nipa ne tina mu gyina nipa mu ala mututu gum sɛ
edu baabi a yɛ baabi a ɔka asɛm bi na wontumi nka ne nyinaa de sɛ me madi yɛ a mewɔ yi sɛ meka sɛ meka ne public a nyɛ fɛ
okay
because president bɛfa ka sɛ Joshua yɛ ne kaka ayɛ no ɔfae eti nkofo ya ma sekere ma no e bi se nya media eye ne dia enna du wona pekwan to di nyansa kakra eto ho no akasa ketwa bi ba onka main point no because am wasem bi ma na me ba na be gina be dwom kasa asem nyina woye bibi ya nyefe ana me boa me ba na me se atade yellow fata pa the next day no akopam yellow obi hweti o kasa sister for Joshua na ama na akoto yellow ona me chono ye woni ma bi wo ho eti Ghana this year no obi am na ni mara fom
sa until you back to share individual I say a manager sorry because a D4 no in Tronado also
yeah
until kwan be na ye be fa so ye be boy ye ho ban na ya saba back na mbe mo adwuma yie na fe ya ba back ye
me da se pa untumi nsore prekope enka se honhom bi ha obi obetimi atutu ane omuntu honhom bi abio Yesu ba no betu honhom mone ena se sie kasa ba ifo ye adwuma hwe incident ya esisi Ghana it become a man of God ese onya time prayer we fasting na wo nyame ahoden na nyame ahoden ne ba wo so a na wo de aboa won na wo mre no so that say it Yesu free akwanche ba so kwa so fi owura bia no obi anim so a very handsome man a wo boa nyame dwuma Yesu tensa na wo tiatem Yesu bra no Luke chapter 4 verse 23 na obi o say amanfo hu dwiri no papa no because the papa na ye na che no odi hia se na sunsunbo ne tinemo so that say it now no ye ne agiri for the betima ye ne se empaibo na anu so me de empaibo abankana ha this year me free Kumasi but me empaibo abakra because high capital city ye ntimi ntena kire ho emankofo ntuja in brodu angukwam ese ye ba ne betuja edigugjem na niama eye eti ye be ye niama efata ene de wasatian so ye betia
nti sese no obi ohonu mo onkwa asori spiritually kwan be no no abetimi abo no ho ban enye se onye asori ni ba ya ono a nti individuals no kwan be ne nyine be fa so onkwa asori so onkwa asori o kwan be ne be fa so abo ye ho ban e wa fi mu
me da se bibre bambo no one empire is very good se empire na no odin na enwosra wo sofo no so te se me ye ma se be ba he ma prepare me ho fast se me ye ma ye imwanadi enti wo ba me ho no a wachigyegye ne woni ema bi e be ketwa bi enti osofo bi agina table so preach 10 years on to da on ko ba bi kran koda nyame anu da de bi wose bomoro nyambe ye nyame watoro se ka kwa do no anse yetoro ana me bo enti yes ana yese kasade on na on nyame som na be kasade obi aso wo nyansa e no de nyansa e che nyame ase nyame asem na pim ba bi eye tumi enwonyamu esane nipa tete obronsa firi nipa abrabom wonim se Rahel no ye bonyini na ni nua panyini Leah no na ware Jacob beboa eye den na Rahel be wo ye osofo bi ankere da eye den na Rahel be wo ye Genesis chapter 20 na verse number 30 was in Leah so nyame to ne yefonum Genesis chapter 30 verse 1 to 2 was in Rahel ka che ni kru ye kopo se wa ama me ma me kume ho ma me take decision so obekum obenum aduru no awu eye den ne see Reuben edisene aduaba bi ene wode bre wo mo enti wo se aduaba no Rahel be win na Rahel catch in verse 14 wo se aduaba we enti mema okuru no wada anadwen because na kuru ma ne ho enti mambini ne nyame ene mo nyame na ade wo me so enti chapter verse 22 wo se na Rahel so erade tie no obue ne yefono enti do ba bi a eye prayer no nipa na wodi ne panim kan no ese ne bia wonye nyame adwene o se ye dida meka bibi yetete no ye bompa mama fa no mu adu mara ye de ba anamboa ene nipa na confused odu ha ne no ko ha chena etima ade no ano enye dene ene Yesu amafu yem se Yesu nim se falasi ene se de worship wo ho but end of the day no Yesu be following or de ne de buy wona ho den ene tumi be hwi mamamfo efremu oza basembo bi ankofo abamoti o me koma sorry o me tena me fie but me kan mo video so achara manfo se Rabuni Joshua but you say me din ba ko Rabuni o Rabuni Joshua na me ya bakra
o bakra Rabuni
me move so am reba no see faith Gentiles or say the faith of Gentiles abama buchidi ye ji Yesu nko adi ye no me move and reba no Yesu nko ani agindi se nyame tumi na ho ne a me di be move city no e faith of Gentiles
anti aso ndi de say
bread of life.
Ah, okay. And they do.
Na madwuma me be faith of Gentile. Gidi a ewo amamem. Ofa ene me bo ho abofosem na ya neba system ni mo no. Ye man kofo ye confused ne be twitwam.
De he.
Abofosem.
Abofo.
We ye osemanya bofo. We ye osemanya bofo. But what must see?
Na mente ho na se.
Won se na asofo no bi ose bofo bi abesra me. Bofo bi abeyin ho adi. Abofosem ni abofosem. Esi etwam. Because Bible so unfair di bi amase ebo na enya nkwa wom. Agi se Yesu din. And Hebrew chapter 1. Was obofo mo hwan ne Yakobɔ ka che ne pensa me ba na hu. So just here.
Dina say osofo obi nim bofo.
We hear so kasa we dem.
Any bofo or they say ba kon kwa they say. Bofo bi she asopota ho sai.
Oso obofo.
Osofo obofo ha reverend obofo.
Oh, see the din dey bofo ne fe ne sa.
Nti ano
say the din dey bofo there any problem. Na ebom se wo se wo asori mu na bofo bi aba. Holy Ghost am bofo na eba. That bringing confusion. Esa na I say wo pese o ka say tia mpanefo bi. Ba so obi ahwe ne yi. Abofo se bi na obi an condemn no. Because yen Ghana na yeti abofo se mu no. Ye ne Antoinette. Antoinette bo okomfo. Antoinette yedini. Chira mo okomfo. Amfa free okomfo ye say angel. And awayo oye angel. Angel bia church no mudi o matoso no. It is now the Pentecostal action, the flame of fire. It jana eba no. Eso mu yi abofo sem frim. Woso amma abofo bia to me. No nya na baka Yesu ba wiase bi wose menya me abofo nyina ensori no. Revelation chapter 5 verse number 13. Woso abofo no eti se Yesu agengoma no. Wose abode e woso ni asase de wo poso ne pum enyina ka se ampagu ama okuno no. Ofase ogi to me ni enunyam. Se Ghana ye dadwe be straight in Ghana. Ezisi ye yi sa abofo sem ne sa tricks. Ni pushing in God.
I do the tricks is shemo. Azanko.
So the what here the other two enum doso. Enti the me say me shemanfo say.
Enti the make can say uhwe wa wo.
Oh yeah.
Ebi mo azan.
O say ayare Sunday man ma bebre ye no e che yetete say enya originally. So no me so no. Se me ba na me say menya na obi a. E say wudi adanse say nipa no awuda hampa. E say bi wi na wotwe na busuafo nyina de efunu no a waso no e be hye nyame enumonyam. And the soft said, when you are Ayaria, Dana was on the Huno. And the Kawanya, son of one son, no one comma. Now, what you don't fire, dear Mrady. And I'm a one, it wouldn't be. It is this 2023, no? Yen I ever sorry crazy. Because me Kaiser, ye time on 1996, 1994, no. Near was software was system, Nimu, Mama. Ah, oh, you are in the Passata and Jade. Ya more chance cry, ya more freedom. Ya more freedom. Be program about your friend Emeko Eko Ghana ni one ebe paper. Who is a penny be over catch no. Be chini baby it is this one me say the fate of Gentiles. Amama bujidi e Yesu din Yesu muja so nkonkono ya wie. Opa kofa bofo man din ye de chiri din ho paper ho ye mfa no ho. Because the enima ni Jesus Christ. Na Yesu din so wo bo na wo po ni yi.
Didie mu a.
Insenche ni esi. Ubo Yesu din no na bona hode ma ensenchenesi na sentema mi bi wotema obo se wa bi asori na ne efra enti no wa ya nyeyi to na be komase eso ogu dem na ne ka akwade ba ne ba je efra ne nsem ba na sam ye program bo komase na ma me think was Joshua J owo azuma na azuma me ko ho mu fa me nko oye na ba bi amfa ne nko te akra bu fie ho na wo so de better to ka kon fa bobo ya te ye bi ya na ma me to so ma me to collection one te bi wo se me ne efra so near Francis saying, I will buy my young was a you boy yesterday. It's one of Sasa may bracket. Chair members, no. So we used to be here. Then you take favorite zato so at Roro Ama. Let me say no me mumabem. Let me say Cassada, but them sat so pow. Then you be.
Hey.
Then you be serious. And with Facebook or crab and I've been free. Man for ye. And when I sham a calm say, Sir Jesus, dear. So put the GDM. In Sanchez, immediately. It's a month for me money, GDM. The Joshua J. Maba. Now, the year ben another thing because he be here, Marantia, Nemaba, wa. We don't be a prayer team, and I do be able to pompire and free Croima Basaka, but trouble be here at it him. Because I send a Kumasi, who endorse. Yamema Massa wisdom. It's a many amount for static or run about to run about. You bomb pie track, Kumasi wish ye. you start to full roundabout near call Santas roundabout near call Daban roundabout near from Bessia Tons overhead near Bessia Ranka Junction near about airport roundabout near about roof room near about Swami near about Bantoma near Chum. It is this kind of prayer no a bandit will be a chichira in Yajuma will be a chichira in Yajuma because you are many a merry end time way near Rezi Banano na ma omani mu anyoa boys ni nyine da na chiji
papa ma ye wo contact no na ne sisi our bank na ide ja na sa firo pese wo kire yen say spiritual protection be ni wo sempai bo
wo protection wo se me kan say
just say
empire no protection was of man inshira dia mini problem na mo abofo no mu fantonche na me number e 1 asere me me number is 0 5 name yes 555 028272 0555 028272 pacho number ni ye me personal number na mumu TV kese enti ye ba ha ye be se den kwala ne number no e be ma amanfo se de obusa masem fefe no pay be de me personal number etudwa me din ni ye sofoaji utuje sofoaji ana rabuni ano ho anu afra na dwobre obo ko a waje no ontwe udin na ni kuna afra wa na dwo suom na wa na fra be yere o so yere de fra sa de ni sinti bebre mo mani nti e wo kwan bi so enu nti me number o ma se nko for fra 0555 028272 na wo chena e wukuada anopa me yem pabo kase pa wo do me the first Wednesday afi di mu no meye na kwasi ara so meye mpaebo nti amanfo mfrɛ me na me mu se dome lucky nyame de ne hu dome me junction so no o ba ye KFC bi ho
ho na so
on KFC no na chi ho pepepe
na chi ho na
wo so ja KFC kwa na de hwese na o bo sa so dan kese bi na de agu so no aso dan bread of life nti ho na me ho simple o chamanfo na ni entusiri na ye mu mama
afi we de empire nko a
empire na edi beba na hote
sa enti prophet Joshua Ajay enene oni edi nkomo spiritual protection aye hia wo se empire the number no was screen no okay wan fanto so ba wa keka ne number no enti no wa frɛ na ono wa bompaye me do so for ase ma men komra me basisi a ne atwaso the other say nyami israel mamo hwe o fie officers ahodo yeda mo ase any shops ahodo nyina mu yeda mo ase nkomo we hia pa se eno so utie na me wo Christian Saki ewo ha na fe Rhoda Fletcher so ewo ahaseya ye ba bedi enkomo yi na enkomo no ye G-step I for na me no mo ba bedi enkomo me ma mo afishia pa sa fi ye hia me bo a e bibia aboko de mo ho ayefe pa Rhoda o kiki no fine as bibia me je me die pepepe mo ho ayefe Christian so ho ayefe G-step mama fan started be me so na de ladies first ba ya konkan it be started so na ba enti Christian be kan ya ka G-step challenge be ha
okay enti G-step ne ye dwumedie bia ya hyehyɛ say ye de beboa enkola ama interesting STEM related subjects
okay Christian me ba ho fa che me mama nko Rhoda ho as on say na me ma akwanya no obi abete wa homa nim fa che me nti Rhoda nkyerɛ ye ka say G-step na challenge be ya
so say ye ka G-step na oye dwumeza bia ya hyehyɛ ye zerma JSS form from JSS mo from na ye try the one interest in science, technology, engineering and mathematics. Because in the Ghana han bebre yesu and yesu maths, yesu science. And you know ye try them from one interest. Time and time nothing. You put assisting. Now from one build interest. Even from the word go, what shasino now I build interest. And so I know na area. It's a training one will bring one ideas up. Now more mentorship coaching. Now we build one ideas so we see their prototypes what they want to do.
Because science and maths and say maths especially mental no ni ade ye pekra ye tekra ne ne bibi ye it is a more fast kwan way so anti ye kwan pa anti mamemra Christian ho bia medase anti then e kwan be na mo fa so na challenge no anti me kon bedo I be ma dachi me so maths and quanta science ne other may nya interest you.
Okay, nti sene menu abai kan no program no ya hyehye ne na we say emma enkola no they can say an experience I ma omokondo say omobeye science. Nti in the G-step program no you coach you you take you through master classes chiro how won be to me develop a prototype, how won be to me I refine the ideas, I find the solutions to problems that affect you more in their communities. We all know say science, the normal way of teaching science, na say you have to as the who be say you mobile way no more exciting. I be man kola ne who the real
it's a practical science now do more from
sa pepe how won be to me apply science concept to solve a problem.
Sa okay na madua ba so na me say classroom science here cheche here bi ba we no de se bi obi ho hu se nkwa bi ho a talent no ho ya de ama wo mo but wo ntimi keka mbom ma na esie ni sa G step yi e fa sa nkra no
sa
yes nkwa bi ho a fechire o de kebu bi to o keka bom keka ne mebom me konkono akeka bom na ye bibi me sure say G step sa bi e na mo pese oh mo achieve ntino so far it say Rhoda
oh so far no I am interesting pa enti you started somewhere last year June from an yeah they submitted their ideas selection one hour you were passing through selection 50 schools from Accra, Greater Accra region and Ashanti region. And from that period I am with MEST. Now we are doing the mentorship. Christian is with Dex. They are doing the coaching and the prototype building. And throughout the process, mentors. Someone like Miss Eugenia, who is a petroleum engineer, or mentor from Manubi, and it's so exciting. Your mentors be brave. They are 1 year in Pankakrama. One base my own watcher hono. We see that on one. We do baby our brave. It's we see was a chair one. This year we could do in the one build one prototype navy. 1 year one presentation navy. This year year trend for awards.
Oh, and it's the what can you say no? Na say omo awo nimde ne dada no o ka mentorship no a no omo ba no omo abedi nkomo and baby o start free junior high school no eye pa enti no by the time o be wura mu akọ SHS no or practical knowledge no into okoji theory na ka ho na say ne afa no hwe ye betie ne na nkura ni nyina ye science student na say aha because baby a mo do o mafa no enti na as a coach ide say na wusi ekochi enkura no na ya wo show o ma hoke kan te say wo interest wo mu ne te say
ti de women say enkola na ba ideas ne de omo wo pa but aka say ye be mo some guidance into yen as Dex no ye the technical support team on the project no ye guiding enkola no into you take you through some lessons on prototype development near there.
Prototype what can say?
The prototype I say ebia wo say wo build the BB. Say friend saying artifact be e solve a particular problem. Before I will be the final product, I say we shall see if baby. And the prototype now I say a working model be no na wo di be gina so I the final at the corner of pese we na hanti no na ye bo mama o mu develop nti I think if mutu meba or the Accra International Conference Center or China mu be hu so many projects are in Kwalana very interesting yes very interesting project
but road ekasana I say Greater Accra and Ashanti sa region 2 epe na mo ye selection if
nti for now no ye 25 teams in Ashanti, 25 teams in Accra. Empire boss say ye kuyinim no ahwoden beba na yitumi akọ other regions.
It will process not to say selection secretary
and ye BA applications and schools no apply.
Schools na apply.
So the application is such that say mo form a team within a school to apply. It's school ba kokra bi to me our 3 teams competing. Sane yes share.
You can say team no say
it's a nipa between 4 and 6. Nkola 4 Nkola 4
okay sir 25
sir
okay sir oh okay fine and like say be a greater Accra more pay schools say and make it 25 no say na more pay 25
and send me kind no ye ja applications no so you invite as many applications as possible. Now you screening.
Okay.
So we take them through a process. Now you shortlist them, and then we get the final 50.
Okay. The activities by was such challenging. Oda. What the new one?
Okay. This year no I tell you me kind no. Ni Christians who are kind. I'm watching. I say award ceremony ni we are.
Watching awards ne basu.
Okay. I'm watching at 3 p.m. Yeah, best start your awards no, but throughout the day ni na mufama be one exhibition. Eti in your time go to our pastor but wasn't Accra International Conference Center.
Okay. Eti awards no mo yes any pastor na be award o.
Oh, in 3 teams. Top 3 teams. And one year kakaba.
And 3 teams ni nyina na nipa wo mu say.
Ebi mu ye 4, ebi mu ye 5, ebi mu ye 6. It's a minimum of 4 teams and a maximum of 6 teams.
Okay. There's award na comma team no, not individual.
No, a comma team.
No. By your other award categories, teams ni bi wo ha. So mo akoye nkola ide say teacher ni bi die ni nti e be ma teacher ni obo ne ho modern pa. Ochina nso during exhibition ye be ma award for team or more exhibition stand no kama ekuyi
anti mo ka team no na say team no say abeye school na sadam pese me who because minim how metia minim say bia u free different school different school but ya be ka one team ho no
enti enfa ne say me wo Ebenezer Methodist school enti within Ebenezer Methodist school no you bet team of students from the same school. What I say, na apply.
Okay, this one you be award. Oh,
and na me kaka kankanes no so them I be award the teachers no. You be award the mentors so because from the one school no kwan kakra.
Sir, obi abre.
Inti mentors no obi mu fikuma se kra ko obo asnechi to meet them because from one ideas now oy hon day they wo bo one. And they go that far, that extra mile, and there were a lot of mentors who wasn't. But we want to also award a few of them. I mean, just to stand out.
Wo kind no. Mpese mi hu enkra no impact amonya ewo won so. Uti omo komodi omo kasa mu na. Omo say dey after omo be join ni we no. Wo hwe omo a wo omo future and say then on person omo ye.
Mo fama ne say most of us, I didn't even say one day, from how did they even do it? Because say a judging event, even let's see the kind of presentations they gave, you'll be so amazed. And you know, the program has really improved some of them, their confidence level, their questions are judges if you see the kind of answers they gave, hey,
you'll be surprised.
Why then when your answers no? And so the process has really made them think. Badwam from and papa wama wana adwinu me boy ibi so one day now akitikiti de bi de hu da bazi ehwa
ba mo kan nyina mo kama America si ho mo nkyere ye niema pote pa nkra na ye mo famra gam niema ye hu a nkra ne bi atimi aye a chombe show ewa program na se
okay into 50 projects no ni nyina are very interesting one of the or a few are stand out pan team be working on a smart kin. In the end, I say smart ibia sebi omo amuni fra a bit to me use into moving in an edge and say obstacle we were another team and so working on the device I say wo gas leaky our kitchen I be alert en
junior high school
yes 40 years
indeed wo gas ne leaky it will send the signal now when we say oh wo gas leaky then you quickly take an action so many interesting be create make fuel out of plastic through a process a friend pyrolysis it GHS en kola inti ochina de mobile
my contact no because after we me show somebody next opening and amu be biemu ama foforo muma ye contact no na muma ye social media handles a obi pemo mbetumi akọ na nkra no ebi mu e talent na de awo mo why the beba Chris or
okay so 0256 516 266 ofra beba technical
number
0256 516 266.
Okay.
For any inquiries be
the friend number. Nature you're open to everybody.
It's open to the yes.
Okay.
It's open to the public. Exhibition the best started from Anopa.
Okay.
So 9 a.m. Could see 1. You be exhibition. Now you break it kakra. Now you awards.
Okay.
Now me fa kakra son count into no. Then we open application for the finalist teams. You know, we also come out to the public as well for mentors because we are aiming that we are doing ×2 this number this year. It's ×2 now already our mentors, but we need extra mentors.
Because ×2 there is a nipa no bedo also. Yes, your mentors, ni coaches, no so more. Nyamishra mo no more idea. Nyamishra mo Nkran bebre wo ho talent ni wo ho. Ti yedamose. Nyamishra mo papa J step 4 e de mo mo edi enkomo nti wo ba bi o te sa na frɛ number no na hwɛ how a wo ba no so betimi a fill form no bi. Hwɛ sa gas di ese mon ton ma ene metoto ni fa mo bo fie na yenye na gas de ya na hadwen ene se bi wo mo ani e wo problem no mo nya bi a no mo tumi de anam na obi ankodi wo machi ebi mo gi wo sika di kura ba so okrokra sa gadget na ono anam ohu obi na obeche ni sika obeche no dan se ekire for no ma gi sika na di wo mo fa mom tire bia no mo gya kwan ho sa no mo sesa de nti eye J step my de ba me na sponsors na se St Andrew Senior High School Kelkit toothpaste you choose no pani anumre enkra no your almost our own parent yes mame kidney mini syrup na fe pure natural health 3p garlic mixture don want say only and sponsors yada se pa wa oje breshare and live or Facebook offices fie shops yada mase media fia amankwa tamaklo me call man hine kwabna sante etwaso.
We are back. Yadamuina was a high big job on Adom TV, multi TV. So, Majili said, Libya e kokama ede, and my brother see a pencil, and no ma hodonuma. But my main cow, you may know quickly. Now, fi, yan trust my man wish it, Nana ya amono jemfua, me mame precope, our patasi depot or shop or on Tiapo, my memo a speedy recovery. And a Kumasi Adina charity catering services. Also anapay good morning to you. Mama yenkuja aye kwabna edu don't know friend Santa Baron ye ka say there ne maame oba pain Florence Abna Chumwa Edu 98 years ene maame ba pain Professor Dani Kofi Edu on also 72 years. There's a Obapen Florence Abna Chumwa Edu. Nebapen a Professor Dani Kofi Edu. They to start from. Yame Adoma. Meme there enemy ewo Sejimasi Presby Primary Park. Anasa she share away because 1 week observation. Inti shene so anapa no ngotwe kopem se wan kasa be kra busuya se woko. Ira kwabnedu Santa Baron, Yako, Unuanamina, Yamam shedding a breathy Unyamamo, a holding any I could do to stand. Na Ohu Mobo, na Bianco Kama, and Fama Monti, Mongo Cano. Na Mema a year a Bushia Fonso Yako, do Sabre with Yamofan Chemina, and Aqua your Mabby Bray, a Bushia 4 Yako, a total or London, Ununia Bar a year. Ama Grant and one also aka eye Nana Makuto or USA Nana Kuya every appear or UK Nana Masewa appear or USA Mrs. Stella appear Pokus or USA and Mr. Frank appear a Toto on UK Mrs. Flora AJ Mensa or Kumasi or Henry Eye Ama Pokuya or USA and Ama Penny Grant or USA and afi Ama Kakra Grant and so USA and afi Mr. Eugene Kwabna Ofori so UK. Mama amene that for me. Ma Oba Penny Sophia did say the friend and sister Akuya I am sem seminyano correct the Abu Franchemi. Akuya I I am same, but so far I do say that I don't have friend about paying you to suffer. The share and say Onyame ya aduma February ne de toso edum wotwe ene tumpem Trinity Congregation Presby asafonum ewo bomso anopa nonum eye black atade tuntum de ehye na afi yakope ne krabia wo sepe wonsuano Royal Cemetery na the question da no so no ya ba sorry wo Trinity Congregation Presbyterian asafo ewo bomso atade ne fita na ebusu atenase ewo eye Jubilee Park I be Prempa Assembly Hall 1 to 6 p.m. Also wajibra ohwe bi mame na asese biribia da ohwe bedwam on Adom TV multi TV so onyame ya adom a obesa akogina Ablekuma Central na odigidie ene ahobrase ne nwuma ade de na sa akogi is among the few people aba Ghana and say usema titiri nkra ha say uyini free ma enyi wafa eya homanum saa de abedu bebia wadu nti onima bakosem oyankrani mapa ana waye mrashi bidwani pen na watena committee ahodo so mrashi bidwam so pen ana lance nso ho nkomo so wadi bi pen ana assembly so ho nkomo so wadi ho pen ana watena tebe mu so pen nti ose ebere no so a obesre adehia wono wo Ablekuma Central say esan say why be painting or did said this time round I see a hint for more new patriotic party meeting ase na the bigger picture no so na quite the national elections no ade share Ablekuma Central so asatina say na be candy for e o sabia Mr. so ono me ya adwene dia enyina yanyin tumi sa no pay ma ne nyamfo Ebenezer Nete eye afishapa ene akwaba obo
Wine. Afishapa. Na bibia e kama. Anyame go social.
Bedwam biam so ba so achepa o.
Ba so achepa. Eh wa oni mi akasa ma sorry ba. Dominic. Ona wa yi mi esin che.
So be mo ba nko ya dimu.
Nti na mpese me report ni my moderator.
Okay.
Say, yes ma sorry ba na so obo mi yem.
Obo yem do.
Nti ensa dia. Yem di membership card no. Na yem pe bibi mfa na nche. Ba no hu say oba so a ebe na oba danso man. Oh,
eti wo beso
we so for camera me fi
ayi apostle so apostolasia dai
exactly adai ohako so obe for me fi ni so no de akọ
di ba bia o fa bia no
be chi no
o sie mu ho no na party adwuma boko
anyame adom oban
gusu ehwe de ko
ye gusu pa
nyame adoma wo psa ba
nyame adom a ye be saba
any PSA be campaign say we are cross parties no wait me support you know wait me one support you here na o mu use against you the any PSA campaign manager.
Oh, say any PSA me amenya penny no. Oh, nti me pese oba no de campaign no aba be den. Aba my campaign for no. Oh, na yetimi ya yejuma.
I see.
And then me ka say on say oyi abodwene so I fine boy pa o. I didn't see onya sika top building the very say oyi na bodwe.
The campaign back one on them. Was it blade crowd what's the mic kana?
Is it what wet of blade?
Be a family. Any bakwa
yeah
better than him be in your and the platform we your platforms multimedia and the man akwaba na man official pan so also very focused, very humble, committed towards the party or the party di and or GDC the party so this is the time as I said Ghana for chredo e mo msa akwanya na say msa mra ba mu bi na woni betina enchinchim go mo dwuma mo to say erade magistia no ntina I'm wondering say stia no mogia say bamusa o beti mechinchim amana hwe ba bi ese fata yi ani makwa ba bi o
yeah jaw me
oh I say 26 ambulances valued at 4 million yet to arrive to support COVID-19 management. We are one of the NDC people am cassette cover the in the past sikaso na be mu no amanfo bi ase omo ye COVID ho nsem amanfo bi ase ye COVID ba ewi echirem say amanfo bi so aye COVID ne so ho adwuma pa pẹ̀lú àmì hu am ye Dominic we dey ni PSA ni ye wu obe press conference na wo hwɛ dia akɔso ya ebinom so quickly abontia beka say omo query you know they responded to the query but the report did not capture the query. We cannot go by what the report is saying. Nti hunu say eno so be wo wadwene mbra obedi nkomo about some of these things. O party what you say?
Nyame adom. Amemfa kwenye so na minchia. Dem say afi yenchia o kwanche.
Yes, yenchia o kwanche be yenchia.
Programs yenchia.
Yes.
Me ma unso afi shia pa.
Afi come back to you.
Even so the share achi papa. Ah. Ejuma wa ya achi.
Papa.
Na do ade on kai wana.
Oh.
Mama bravo. We go find a
say wa ko busa direct question. No, but say almost out of church, almost operations. Oh yeah. Say be a reshuffle here and never be and say 28 ebe. I don't know what that
but emenya abade.
No say any nipa two ni asesa om. Katie Hammond any Brian Champion dey omo beka. Na dey Amin Antan so akọ Charles Eduboy hono no.
There's the near reshuffle, a replacement.
Well, replacement.
Government spokesman on the reshuffle.
Replacement. Among the Nania Kui, Samo. Mammy Chaffu.
Yeah.
I said, now can my name say Ghana de. There be I open praying a year. I buy a toya. I buy a to a man. No. Why, Yamiani man, where do you want more? Because and then I be dead. Say because I jene pray adore. Nana go for ado abanga ama. Sebi. Ohu I have for cramobo. Ohu I have for mobo. Na o hwe auditor general report say as munsem ne senate kona etifana oman ultimu say enipa bi ye candidate for prison. Niema abanyi baya President Gofo Abresu okay causing financial loss to the state. Ora Victor Salome okay men kai ne ya obusham fancheme na nyame mfa crazy a won mu binum President Gofo abank twon aboso no ye say sa pepepe na say ye the presidents etom dia Ghana mra ye be gina so de edi no kware pa dia anhwini ya ebinum beko prisons.
We had the ekosuna.
Send the ekosuna. Ebi beko prison. Because all report mama bibie nima wo kan kwesiase a ogbo beto yem wo so. Eye bufu papa. Ye fika sa covid ho asem wo Ghana ha enye ne. Se sika ba omanyi mu no enya de ese nka po yetimi gina baabi. Eyi ebo covid ye yi ne boni aye. Na me kesi wate ase. Because a bad in Shirabo Ghana. Osha manga were mostly affected. China, Italy, our friend then Spain, Brazil, no money idea. What did you to Ghana who are sebi as a Konyagopon Udi and one for papa. Yantimia and free be titsu be a chance. So even though Nipa Bagrano, actually Nankwa, Yasam Kese. But what did you tell men be one? Kayandi de Yankopon Dimayen. And we sika botinga ebedi yensem sen kampo ye de ni tunya mianim edwen omanfo sebi tibia ye wom ene bebia nka ebetimi de sika no aseso man yi akwakodua oman eyebufu papa denti hwe us ambulance ahen na mai
26
exactly of paragraph 121 ewo make us say the same minister now, or ye in charge of that sector, no, health minister, Ojina court against Ora Atufosin, honorable Dr. Atufosin. Say wakra ambulance now, no the nepe ako issue letter of credit or whatever. When it ya say adia uyi ni awori ye no eye tang eye bufu ano ye show chen nia Ojina court di ho dance. O mahine ohwe report no ma eno na mri bi na ka say akwati say ura furata or the Ghana yen chebre edi egwere ye wa ha no ba be ye nkuntai no ye no or yeah about less than 50%, that's about 40 something percent sike be di ne nsem fa covid ho na enye fi African Development Bank na enye fi European Union na enye fi IMF na enye fi ankra nchen Obebu nkonta e cover less than 50%. Ochire say no need COVID related issues and COVID related expenditure. Owie no 50% and over na e kai no.
ye bisa no se e wo he no o so de no balance budget na yesa no ka je ne te no de o de ye niam a emfa couple ho hwe ebinom susu se da bi sika na nkasa kra na ogina so eye nkontan no kana na bi wom wani ho no kware papa enti ye mu binom frɛ for parliamentary inquiry we kai pa also there be ehun hia na auditor general bet ma ye ni nyina ma auditor general no ye nkasa po ye mfa ne saa o mu appointee hwɛ finance or debtor bonding si etimi tua sika e ma nipa bi a wontimi nya adwuma hwe o ma hene one you can 11 million Ghana cedis what the quantity can be ahin about 110 billion yetimi di tua nipa ka e wo table so table top honor certificate this is obi aya ade no so bumi yam asemesi abasunti no yam man certificate even though e wo nkontae bumu no enye sika sa botin sa anka sika fia bi o go fie de ye de da wasinti je som sa 11 million plus Ghana cedis o ye di tua nipa ka wo table top ye ni any records to that effect na so sabi o manfu sika say na Kufa do sika anka be sa say Dr. Badwam sika anka be hwe Ghana fu anim abo yan abro sa oman say sika anya ye kura no ebetimi a provide school dormitory ama mofra bi anya baby do ntiato ana classroom ama mofra wo SHS a won ho chiro a won ene double track a yekofa bae no ya pe kwan foforo they are massage no nje na obehe form a mofra ni nyina from form 1 to 3 won nyina go school at the same time so ya we say form 1 and form 2 fokwa na form 1 form 3 80 say form 3 fokwa say form 1 fokwa 20 na form 2 fokwa 20 enti no nga rebrand traffic system no blue and green and yellow ni ade no just still or how na eco fast double track no buy no o man yentimi nso ano ye yentimi nso ye ni enough facility e bet my house mo friend nyina ye de 11 million cedis ado to pre aden hwe wasi okoje dan bi wo adakuru so what hon komo it about 15 million e de akohayo bi dan a onsi nwie ye 15 million Ghana cedis o 150 billion. It is a Ghana man a bank as no so meto asase na ka mesi sadan na anka anye ye kura no maybe half of that amount. E bet me aso sadan ni si. E yo man ni sikenti. Ye ne sika no funti. Ye ni keke. E hon konta nwran basa. Na me case so so man ne. Ghana for as if say ye nye angry enough. Ye mbufu ye. Omang abang ni papa mani hu ye. Because bibi a ya we pa. When you say ska bebrebe nyina achi. When timi antoto ne ma yi. Hwe University of Ghana Medical Center. Sika hin go. Such facility. Sika go less than $400 million. Ana me boa. About $200 and something million. It is sika ye hwe go potoyi. Anya ye kura no ke betimi asi such facility be ahoro biesa kwa nan. Yen se ba ko northern sector. Yen me si ba ko middle belt dia Kumasi. Yen fa ba ko me kankran di ho. Near some possible some cool. A man for healthcare or pa. Yes, was Suabiko Dubai. Yes, was Busia Pesica. The Obico India. The Obico England. No, and can be a bit me as no. A year near die soon, President Mahama. A strain. Into my OC, University of Ghana Medical Center. And then Yankopoya Wadom. Na baby kakra wo. Who bet me import to medical doctor no. If baby our first of baby conduct to operation ama organ na yi. Facility say yenye sika say a ye betimi a expand and ye besi bia ka ho ye de agwa to pray ye du en num keke abanga otisu dwen a onwin Ghana ho ene adwempo a me nim adwempo a na go fado wo oh na me de tutu ho ano won ne ye wo Ghana so na kwete uka legend sa ho fina okohye so ya bonamfu wo se na no ye den pa komo de ne ho no won ne ye no ya kwese sa or say obodamfo no kra completely enti ni susu na doso e say bibia one year ya kwasesa because why infest your man no to the extent say ye ni bibia e betim de try ye sika sema aye basa corruption I do create say no komwa adan bone ben yaye o ma de bone ben ne yaye anka na go fado web pie nche wa mon so me hwe ne emu bi susu say oh papa e de wo hwe ne mfe say do edu na say na anka ka no anka me o ye Ghana sa e di asa aberema bi no na mi tren aberema bi e fe no wasi so enti no better so to na no bu eden so better tie so to no bi am obi da say singlet no better sa pepe no ya oman repo aman left right center adan bone ben yaye hwe o hwe report mo man ensem wom pa hwesika ministry of
oh is it on net show
as a sorry pa because say wan hwe me yare so na ka say onitima magana fo so wan hwe me sa pa say no hwe me na wan hwe me sa na so ka say onitima magana fo as a sorry me pa
he tima at this point
yes as a so who say
for Ghana
da bia na ko fa do Ghana kwakodu no o ma hene nya de a e ya hodwo hwe ebini wo ma na ahemfo just won't corrupt almost everything ahemfo sika wode ma ho no say unsubstantiated amount of 451,800 was disbursed directly to the paramount chiefs of 6 regional house of chiefs na sika no near eka na nanom nsa 154,161 balance na kana way yede nananom ding bokron yede asofu ding bokron aden bone ben yede nananom ahemfo yede won ding bokron say won ding over 500,000 no emu 100,000 pemekoy 400,000 akada way o mahene se Ghana ye omanga ye ni abra Ghana yo ma ye ni abra anka sa di ese say ye fiase near petro ye prisons what's them
because ye kire continuously na fi ye for 2 no ehu de betim de na afiri entetre a prison
ne aban na kasa na dai so ne senko obe sori da kono bi so ma yituo ma tu afi so na nka wada nyame ase hallelujah no akope baby ahye na sika sebe nga wi akogo baby won nya na die ye no betna ya na se twon fam ye de mra di won mra na e de owura Salome call prisoner sebe asem ko okохre ne nkwan e se de sa mra ni di nipa bi wo Ghana aden bone ben yaye
Robunete what is the challenge he said ya munisu abrimu kakra bi along the line in said kakra bi na kamasa TS lane but things fall apart the center is not holding
my me da say ma menchia ahwefo nyina na menchia menwa peni PCA ene onyina se na me bisa wono na se me do ka na also de meka me do ka won sama body hu na also na also de meka se
no ka
sama body
and also de meka wo invitation hu
exactly
because me odie say me can more so me when it comes to communication na so ma promoting odi mu akotin from 2012 no waso me mu nti odi e me nya penny pre.
Thank you.
Omayini on the issue of Auditor General report aba and me I thank God say this time around no the Auditor General any parliament are very proactive with reporter ever. If I'm not mistaken, this is 2019-2020 Auditor General report. Mine, I've had opportunity to Martina Parliament for 4 years. Parliament for 4 years, I'm now, you know.
One discussing you and who your mother.
Me catch you say now we're discussing about 5-6 years reports. So sometimes no Utumiko committee meeting. Now the Lands and Forestry Committee report about
2002.
And unim ya okanfa ho. And you have people na omo committee so at that time and said no omuni parliament bi omo committee so sometimes no the issue need to defend it no and ask even to ask the agencies no questions no unim dia oka. So for me, I thank God say the current administration the Auditor General report Auditor General Nankasa no to me are very proactive for Parliament to get your friend is saying
the current ones.
But
that's a plus.
That's what I'm saying. It's a very big plus. But Ube Kaya, the same Auditor General, you can't say Domelu and Kono. People were castigating against this man. So Baba the bid of government. And and then it has come to reality say is working professionally
as an Auditor
General. For us to look into your friend is saying near Kumubiano. If it's
reported. Oh, I'm telling you.
Exactly. And I'm expecting PCN in call for some Bonabaso. Said the Kafan who initially Ninano. Oh, who can say
Domelevoko am fast man ko en yese nye. Ehia na mo de no bai.
Oh, that's it. Apart from say the melody am say enye no. You even can say
no, we didn't.
Say Akawaka. Say Akawaka say oh, ohu krapo.
I don't trust it.
Oh, so you matter. So it tells you that there is somebody who want to make sure say we fight against corruption and any other thing. So I recommend him. And you should also know say Auditor General so Nejuma Oye no suno the finance ministry also have an oversight responsibility over Nejuma Oye no. So it tells you that government is prepared and ready to let Ghanaians know no kwebia ewe yesika semu ewa maimu. Omahine, when you talk about the ambulance, your friend is saying Ministry of Health. Eka say your friend is on Omoji 26 ambulances no. And now let me be some question. Be said, look, we need to ask ourselves. Sometimes you always put the blame on government and politicians. But the point is that Ushe Auditor General reporter, some of the recommendation or refer to the chief director at the ministries. Chief director at the ministries. Chief director at the ministries. It tells you, say, it is not the political figures now what the ministries inquire responsibility to deal with issues, but rather the technocrats now what your friend is saying responsibility. The question that we need to ask ourselves, ben and they acquire for the ambulance. What was the terms of reference? When are they supposed to deliver the ambulances to us? At what cost? Yenfane says 2019 ambulance now. You have to deliver the ambulance to us in 2020 or 2021 and buy it. Why has we not received the ambulances within the 1 year and 2 year space now? I didn't say buy. We need to look at all these things and know all these things. But if we just jump into conclusion, ambulance buy, I don't think say we'll get to the root of the matter. I always been saying, say, look, one of the things that as a country is to bring politics in everything that we do. The end results of the things that we are doing and answer the issues. Look, this other data report, let's pre-assume, say, Bonibia Koso. You be no NDC, MPP. But we need to go into details and find out, say, yes, this amount of money, you COVID. You see, you're my Ministry of Education, you're my Ministry of Health, you're my Ministry of this. For me, I don't think say COVID, you're raising COVID sticker. Near my Ministry of Education, because Ministry of Education, your friend is saying PPEs at the schools. The finance ministry or the health ministry might not be able to procure these things for them. So take this money for COVID-related issue. So I doubt if there's any school in this country, i.e. primary or JSS or whatever. I'll be catching me so PPEs. So it's the responsibility of the Ministry of Education to let us know, sir, we're giving 1 cedi for PPEs. This and this and this and this is what we have done. That report comes to the Ministry of Health. So, Sika Edima Education, this is what the money was used for. You see, I'm ahim for Sika. Sika Edima ahim for what was the money used for? Was it to engage people in their community Was it to engage people to talk to them about COVID issues? And I said, then we need to look at all those things. But when you just come into conclusion, say, Obia Disika, Obia say, and we started doing the politics with data, we'll not get to the end results of it. For me, I applaud the minister, the Auditor General Department for coming out with some of these tests. There are questions to be asked. There are answers to be given. And I believe that by the time you be beside our questions, no, you answers, no, we all come to a realization, say, yes, your friend is obeying the sika. If we are finding out, so obey the sika, and you need to be dealt with, you'll be dealt with according to. But to say, oh, and sika call her, and sika call say, and say, I don't think we will get to the root of the matter. We end up by say, at the end of the all your discussion, you know, say, so be point the sika. But say to me, go into the matter and deal with the matter just as it is. I think say it will help us. The Minister for Health is still at post as a minister. This is the report, Abba. Wankasa ukro muni. Some walk more the same direction.
Yeah. No,
pa. Last week I me kon ho. Pa.
Health Minister.
Oh yes. So all this know about minister. You see ma unya aska we ekosi sen. Usi isolation center Ewadakuru. What has happened to it?
Well, I think the ministry has even responded. I've seen
so
it.
You take us there and let's see. Say the Aukasa Oye no ekosi sen. Then we look at and say, oh fine, it is completed, it is value for money, it is not value for money. What do we do about it?
So no fishy deal in vaccine purchase. Ghana Health Service tells Auditor General. So I think amongst some of the, and the ministry itself too has given a response. I think it would be appropriate, say, almost very proactive, no more quickly.
On the issue of the vaccines, no crapono. I hear a CAG. You see AG vaccines 1,000, 2,000. O mine, wouldn't say in draw a lifespan, and I'm a boy. Say, ukoto a draw, ya trust a who say, a draw we by this date, no, now expire. Ye vaccines. I be walk in Kofua, Sebi. Ye prevent ye home from COVID. You can, if we are going to buy 1 million or 2 million, I don't expect say we are going to take all the 2 million to come and put it down. I think during the Christmas festivity or before Christmas, Ministry of Health, say or workers, they were going to the communities, still educating people, urging people to come and take the injection of COVID-19. It tells you, say, we are still have more saying vaccines. So if we have acquired for vaccines, for 2 million vaccines, now say, half of it, they can end by. You say the was to say no can take us through the end or whatever we are fighting for. No, okay, fine. Then we overpaid. And you see, yesterday I was saying something. Said UNICEF and your friend is saying just an ordinary organization.
Can verify.
It's a very big one.
I'm saying you can verify.
Yes, it's a very big organization. I bet we verify. It's a matter of verifying from UNICEF. Is it indeed say government paid this amount? And Auditor General reports especially out clearly. Said this amount of money has been paid to UNICEF. Okay, so and they have delivered this amount of vaccines to us.
Maybe in the official in his official capacity as Director General of the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Patrick Kuma Abuaje. He says the Ghana Health Service has challenged the Auditor General's report that $80 million worth of vaccines paid for by the government has not yet been delivered. According to the Auditor General, the government paid over $120 million to the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, and Africa Vaccine Acquisition Trust, AVAT, but only $38 million worth of product was delivered. The state agency has made a recommendation to the Ministry of Health to renegotiate and recover the outstanding balance. However, the Director General of the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Patrick Kuma Abuaji, said the vaccines have been duly purchased, but they will be delivered when the service needs them due to lack of storage facilities. You don't need all vaccines because we don't have enough cold storage for the entire delivery from the supplier. So that is the situation. Dr. Kuma Abuaji was talking to Kwaku Inshira Ado. For expiry, we don't want to keep it. So as and when we need it, they deliver. So that's just about it on that score.
Mine.
For heating, but you didn't come on say baby. Yes.
So if
we are not sure more, they ask you what I'm saying.
I'm person me account for fracturing.
Or say again, a bad do no.
Exactly.
Any baby I call Quran.
Here. See, Casa no kind. See here. What the baby?
Yes, you have paid for it. Yes. You pay for it. So when you need it, then they bring it to you.
Different.
Okay. Then toss one out of the media me the all come at me. Ye cotonu. A no bossum say.
Also, do know to sky.
Ye Tuesica.
The figure. Now I say difference ben near Auditor General report.
Or say. A brand bia here a drone. Na ya eden ya manaba. And your mammy no dinch the moon by. You can be a corano. The toss will be a could expire the baby any major way. You should know be crying here and Casaka Yan Yambo. It would have one way that. It is a gumwa and yaka a more massem. When was as say. I think you have a bunch of money. It's your nose or two we are them. Also, Casabia, meaning to maybe a way and task to become
Mangasa. Because figure no, I won't get the kind of upfront.
According to the Auditor General, the government paid over 120 million to the United Nations Insurance Fund and African Vaccine Acquisition Trust, but only 38 million worth of the product was delivered. Do 120 and I'll give 38. It's an mini storage facility. It's an also expired. But you go a much better. It was one on Tiasi, then a person go away.
Now, person say, you hear vaccines. You hear be a 5,000 tons, and as it be a
40 feet container.
Exactly. Back. You may use maybe 6 months time.
Then yes, I calculation
say a wusika. Wusika. And I will use I one casa private business. Got two cigar baby say here say here obeka could balance na. I don't hear your man sikasa.
And you how no.
I don't hear your man sikasa.
Say untimi susu who say omo mu nyina no ebe here 40 feet container.
Exactly. Intina yetua hoka. They will retua no upfront beyond ya wankasa kra obe hia. And now can even how many percent na aba? Ni aba kra no be 30%. The 70% yen sika kolok wo.
Nti enye wani so
aba o ma hene.
O di nchirimo baba enye wani so.
Enye nchirimo ya sisi be bia kra no nya ne okan. Nti ni Auditor General kan pepe be 80 billion. Ayirema yentimi account for. Pe ono make calculation no. 80 million no kan e yam passe eno no yentimi account for. Nti eno yi ni say makotu ya kan atonu mo mensan kan re chiri mi hia na makoji. Hia no ntimi kasa.
Because mini storage facility.
Hia no ntimi kasa.
Because product no expire.
Oh come on. Ghana pa na ya twitwa na basa ne stressa. Ghana na basa. Emi twitwa na basa ne stressa because Ghana bing. Afso goso COVID ska. Obi anti bi ni. Adan bonne ben na Ghana ai. Bonne ben na Ghana ai. Na menu Eben Kasano. Also misa ibi kra net say, Auditor General koye ne auditing. We bisa questions, relevant questions.
Ma catch say inyumako say the papa iken. Dodo na ado anu ye bi a omo susu ye no is not captured in the report.
I agree. I agree. E hono wo be react. Ye hu ne beko. Na wontimi kan chem say abanga tua 5 million Ghana cedis. I'm a dread master. So I'm finding storm drains. Certificate BN to that effect. Abanga ska won't answer. So our contract now execute contract we are. We raise certificate and so this kind of amount. 5 million Ghana cedis. Certificate BN anywhere say we raise certificate what this kind of man. This kind of way. I don't know where Ghana sir.
That's what me say. Me person be we no partisan. Because when I talk about dread masters, the same dread masters, during your time, Omeji Sika say Odo. Later, no, you can say Ibrahim, your man is also on Rankata de Sika on the Babaye. You see,
Ibrahim, so let's not put it's good. The thing Ibrahim did, that was part of the process.
Exactly. In the not
challenges. Corruption. Say solution to the problem. Or no stress. Let's not take this opportunity for granted. Ebrasu say, it
goes beyond NDC and MPP. Where you are bang and the Ghana for I don't know some politics.
On says CCA. You know the politics. CCA. I dance in Ghana for Ghana. Me support to also support it. I dance in it. Ebeka Dread Masters. Ebeka Abakose Mono. You will say Ghana. Debbie Fatune here. Some Fatune here. And this was on Casawa. No, that's what Debbie. Also, my press. You for Debbie. Ghana's Casa. When I you cannot run away from certain things. Be overcome. Or see your mind Ghana. They are fire one year boy toto.
So what who say no why ya no nyina tutu obi afase anu akotwa
enu na ko hia
obi afase anu akotwa
enu na ko hia se
wo Ghana na se aka wo be ho ba
enu na ko hia se
wo se afon afa
enu na ko hia se se na tia se mo kro kan o se no kura wo we mu a eni wo kan se ma de
ave na o kan ma na o ka to say no ndimi
enti o tia wo kan that's what you say me say o bo ko na wo do ma ana ko fa ana ko fa ti
make us say ana
ko fa ti
ono se yen ko bi sanse
ana ko fa Ibrahim
na me tro say obetimi atua sika so be a contract am aban no wetua na car obra on register certificate here
but why is that the same thing na o ka chiro say yan mu yie na obi a
se fato no ka se mo breso no e na yi e bata hom brebe
I'm sure the quinty basa ye wo ha
anote dread master internal say me dey asa bra na no afa no kra
I'm two reasons there or the TMC bia ono so the refi abakoseka abakosem boa
e na dey abedo ya no
eboa
abakosem
esua de
ene dey ya nsua hwe entim
e mo bi ti ye problem na wo kana wo
bi ti me ye ne dey because we asem se kra no no kra to say enti no yen ene
that's what I'm saying.
That's what
I'm saying.
Abako some na work and when these people nyina mo ye pe na ni tima ane de na
be o se ko si e wo abako se mu no aban we abomodin ama ene omutimi discuss the current administration no wonu krata
no ne dread masters on afi urusan ko fe bia be send nu ama but
even with the dread masters one kind of bonus issue see because there be
I don't know kind na what dey na den
because of money bribia da sa nyoma we ba yen hwe emphasis the sibrenti no ama bibia ba we dey he is saying that let it not go like the others. We should scrutinize this one and get to the bottom.
Oh, that's it. So what's the name?
Oh, PhD desire. What PhD desire?
On the issue of the buses, just as Kumaba did, Omayeni, we all buy things. Sometimes you to me call to others so.
But PhD is moving into us.
Oh, Omayeni, but moment bisa PhD. Sanka buses singing na e buy.
Never say
ya. They no beka.
Ono so we expert. So we
then no
PSC so who do
because all your price are ashase no kra no odija. Nei ebi kra won ate wo so. Ebi kra prices be use na net no.
It probably say that platform so ho.
Omayeni, obekaya.
Because when you're getting
bia wo koto on tem.
Omayeni, obekaya. COVID a hitty pa no. Getting vaccine was
another problem. Yes.
Now it was so when your opportunity say, I've gotten some money. I have to get money. Let me go and pay. Let me go and pay. No, even up to today, we are still having some countries COVID. It was so bad.
Yeah.
Uko China, the same. Uko Italy, the same. Germany, the same. So if we have gotten this vaccines, about the go, if on a That's the question that he was asking.
But in the health, the Ghana Health Services, you need storage facility.
Exactly.
The products need to expire. Maybe I mean, my outline with you is that as a professional, say a brand because your mind sicker. It's applying it. Let's apply it.
Your mind is sicker. Except me turn no. But only say
public management.
But
that's our
send a PSA kind of say. Na kay turn say bia abeba form. Sounds as that Anton in terms so and so be cost.
Okay.
So there's in and out of it. We need to look at it say na kay turn no sa mre no a ebia dollar ne ba form no. Yeah. People were complaining. I'm 750 cities. Me say. Obviously, me, I was a victim because it's Sebi. In fact, less than 5 minutes. He signed 12 cities, 40 pesos. Later, me call about 12 cities. The next day, I call 8 cities. I say, another man train.
This year,
10 cities. Obia no baby oto ni watching.
The piece is the piece. The baby because they your life shebi also in crime born we Sasabi and Sasabi. Good your life farm milk depot. Okay, so farm milk depot. Yeah, a lot of your text messages about piece amount for so chiao. Mochiao na ya tare hono so PSC no obi dia ba PSC no o bobo gaga
o se me gusu super me ni apre
but say wrap up with this one PSC now prescribe what we can do in times like it's like society no we are be a tough form. I don't know whether this administration and almost gatekeepers no a gem or man o hwe nkwada ya wo Krobia Asante Technical Institute. Again, my Sakukudu for Yang Mofra Ekosukunu. Following the violent demonstration by students of the Krobia Asante Technical Institute, today, 22nd January 2023, the management of the Ghana TV service, upon the advice of the Ashanti Regional Security Council, has closed down the school with immediate effect. All students should therefore vacate the campus immediately. The security services will be on hand to evacuate all the students to protect lives and properties. Parents are advised to take steps to pick up their awards from the school. Management of the Ghana TV service will keep parents and the general public informed on the new development. And the Ashanti Regional Minister is calling for, it says that some of the people are now wanted, some of the students, some may come quickly, but yes, what's going on? Why will we now tend to... Okay, so Krobia Asante School prefects declared wanted. All prefects of Krobia Asante Technical and Vocational School at Asakori in Ashanti region are in hot water as they have been declared wanted by the police. The Ashanti Regional Security Council has ordered for the police to declare the school prefects wanted for them to assist in investigations regarding rioting in the school. Angry students of the hitherto peaceful school embarked on a damaging spree on campus on Sunday as they destroyed everything on site in protest against poor examination results. About 6 vehicles, including 4 government cars and 2 vehicles of their teachers, either had their windscreens smashed or turned upside down by the rampaging students.
I'm anxious to say unfortunate. Sebe ya ma ya do onko school so onko sun obetimi afa mra ahye won sem edjuma etisa ensese anka eba awofo menye sure se wonim ho bi akyerɛkyerɛfo menimara so obenim ho bia because you see wo school no na menimu mofra no da so school de
also omunyina
won awie
you see, oh, because Nkwana na wia na.
Yeah, won wia na oda.
Nkwana won wo suku a won.
Because me tell say examination failure abi.
Nkwana na tron sohwe na emu anu results na buy no.
Internal examination.
Anya omani so.
Well, internal examination.
I should think so.
No, the omo SS results buy and they are saying say omo modern and they are saying that even their predecessors, so their performance is not good. So based on that, that's why they decided to.
So here na no one nyamaso. One teacher for
that's the
question. Because assembly no head baby assembly feeling ne kofare ba no hu ne kan yi.
Your man on what this
decide this obese way. And you hear ntoko na ye teacher for ne. E bia mofra no e demonstrate against e bia teacher for no boa. Bia wenyi won yam nkyere won ade.
Exactly.
Yeah, but se sa na ti a se enye kwan a obefa so akanini. Enye kwan a obefa so obese school ni ma. What that's school mo. Nti wo say ne ma ni wi a. Then bio na obetimi da koso e de asuade. Enye ade a ese say yes also. But it's a culture of impunity, no man. Adosu.
Abros.
Adosu. Because me I can young can we. So with the contract I'm will be. So in see isolation center. And that cost about some I think 15 million Ghana cedis. Now contract and second 4.5 million. In the website. Badwam. No be antimi to one and phobia. And then leadership they say is cause. All other things are effects. Because Ghana brand will be in FSU. Ghana near jungle. Now the battle for the fittest. When you're doing a true for young person,
the battle for the fittest.
For the fittest. Yes, exactly so. When you're doing two true fans, no clear no definition. Say, son, your person, Ghana there. Oko jungle as an in Quayum. Abrabo
survival.
And this idea, as I said, man, there were structures, there were institutions. I watch them wrestle. What you say? Nekobasa bang said you a bang you may be Edwin from so. As I said, president, if you're caning, and now option was and I be ordinary from Rapanso. No, Nyanka said defending them. Yes, on Yampo. And I'm more to me so defending no. Inti obiati baby osusu se mra nhyeda nya adwuma mra nhyeda nya adwuma sabi won a wo hwe mra isu wo de asem kodi won anim a nya yetiti ni ehuhu etwa yi inti oman no yesre menim se president Kufuor obai no obefo oman no baby na ono ankasa transno asese o take stock menim se na ni be so baby odi Ghana ba be wie na se na ne renso de a and your man home wrestle.
Okay. I want to wrap up for us.
I condemn the attitude of Minyano Nkumano in the Korea Technical School in respective of their grievances of Mowo. I don't think so you have to go to extent of destroying property that belongs to school, the school, no. As well as your friend is saying, teachers say, one of the reports in Kwaka said even aduane kra na omudi wo honum kra no omakosisa as say bibia. I don't think it is proper. But Ministry of Education, they have to go beyond your friend is saying nyankwala ne ye no and dealt go into the issue properly. What is the responsibility of government? Did government fail the students? What is the responsibility of the management and staff? Have they failed the students? What is the responsibility of Nkwala Anonso? Because, for some time now, just look at our secondary schools and the attitude of some of our students. The impunity and scam.
A trainer pro.
Do you expect Nanado to go to the classroom?
A tray is not Nanado. A tray, every head be all baby. Wako judiciary, wako headmasters for, wako a paying for, wako a training in our proper. Why is there a pro? Uko bigger picture now. Controllers never was so system in our in December. One typical example. If a government is supposed to take the necessary punitive measures against, even on one in the part, that government goes behind and defend that. Clearly, you give
I agree perfectly with it. Say, in every institution, obi or BB need to be dealt with. But we are talking about Nkofua. Ye jide wo mumu say dache. Wonsu baby and penny for no say no. They are good hold those positions. And we are saying that the attitude of students today in our various secondary schools, no, saying in a secondary school Yakobi that. This kind of attitude were not there. And then what you mean who be more say no more you are naked, nobody hear video. Who be more they will jump. I mean, how do you blame your in performance of your results to a teacher. Meanwhile, no once your teacher is teaching you, no. Now what your name for your friend is at school. Now be about what could that be my being changed. What weekend, what by your friend is a Sunday and number. Is of your other colleagues are more form of books or motion and do you bring the teacher for it? So I control exams no one year and I say home boom teachers are on 1 year then the omudos. That's why I may say let's check 5, 6, 7 years the performance of the students. Yen checking the year in that school. Yen will say yes. What the students are saying, no, it is true. Say teachers ne wo honom no embo mo homodin. And now yen kola no so ye wo honom so yes yen embo ye homodin. But when you put the blame on the teacher, say omo na mama ya pass it. Say you no make exams now.
Okay, so mama na say na me ma be ma ofusu hene pepra renchi ren ana renchi a man from hene oba hema ofusu aboatima achime bo akwa nifa hema oba hema asiba opon wa agina oyoko hema of Sejimasi and achim edukrum ebusha pan kufi nyame opan kwame ofori era kwabna edu ene ebusua ne mma onyina de yawo esi oyi kai o se nyame adma na ohwe wiye 1 week observation oba pan Florence abana chumuwa edu 98 years the ba pan enso ka ho professor Dan
ye kamepa
Kampa
Comrade you me
Adom now say Comrade me ne kwa sorry Emmanuel Presby
yeah
that's one ente na mo waka Sejimasi
ma me fa kwanye so na me ma won ya kwa na me ma bra ankama na eben
na me adon ibe hia me da
oh yeah
but my name who say Comrade we very proud